So guys, real quick, I don't know if you guys read the commentary, but we have a beautiful setup right here. I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna see if we can get some sort of a reaction here in the market, because the market is moving very volatile, very volatile. So guys, so I'm sure you guys saw the dump. We have a really nice fair value gap right here, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to go short soon. I do believe we have some room to go lower, at least into these lows right here. I just want to see how the market reacts off these levels, right? So I'm keeping a little bit of an eye here on some shorts for now. That's the main game plan. And my bad for sounding a little bit rushed. I was not expecting the setup to retrace so fast. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can enter some shorts soon. Because I really do like this. It would look somewhat. How much would the stop loss be? So I'm gonna try to find an entry around here. But I do like this a lot. I really like the setup. I am not gonna lie to you guys. I am not gonna lie to you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get some sort of an entry here. If we end up holding down this rejection and this holds down really good, I'm gonna see, because this thing is moving really volatile. But I do like this. The thing is, I want to enter around here, guys. I really want to enter. I think I'm gonna enter around here, guys. I entered at 567, 18, 567. I really do like this, like a lot. I really like the setup. I know the stop loss is a little bit messy, but I really like this. I really like this. I really like the setup. It's something I really want to take. So far we're up 10 points, so it's not too bad of an entry. So far up 10 points. Did you guys end up getting that same? The thing is, I can't even read the chat here. I'm so rushed right here that I can't even read the chat. But the setup is looking beautiful. Like, I really like the setup. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really like the setup. The thing is, I don't even know if I started my YouTube live. I don't even know what's going on. Here, let me make sure everything's looking good. Let me see. So far up 15 points. So far up 15 points. Let me see. Alright, let me see and make sure everything's looking good. And my bad if I'm not talking right now, because I'm setting everything up. Like, I'm setting everything up to make sure everything's looking really good. Let me see. Let me make sure everything's looking good. Let me see. And if this thing ends up hitting the first, I really do believe we can see lower. I'm confident. I love the setup. Let me see. Okay, there. I set this up. I don't know why it's posting it like this. It's weird. But yeah, here in the meantime, let me post this over. Let me see. Did anyone end up trimming off that sell-off? I didn't get any trims there, or at least not yet. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. If I have to get a re-entry off the setup, I'm gonna re-enter. If I have to, I'm really confident with this. I'm really confident that we can see lower. Because the thing is, okay, the problem is with this is we ended up taking out liquidity at up here, right? We took out liquidity up here, right? This was the level, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we took our liquidity right here, and I'm pretty sure we had another level of liquidity right here. Yeah, exactly this level, right? So what the market could be signaling is, sure, a possible MSS, but the one thing holding us down is this fair value gap, right? Now, if we're being held up down by this fair value gap and we have drawn liquidity to the downside, this leads us to kind of know that we have room to go lower, which is what we're doing right now, right? So yeah, I haven't gotten any trims off yet, but I still do believe we can see lower. I still do believe we can see lower. I'm confident in this, guys. I'm confident in this. The thing is, in the meantime, look at this sell-off, guys. Beautiful. This sell-off is what we need to know that we're gonna see lower. We just, of course, need to wait for it, right? But if this can hold down, guys, this would be such a fast day. If this can hold down, I'm excited for it. I'm really excited for this. I'm really excited for this. Let's see, because I'm sure we can see 537. That shouldn't be a big deal, right? I do believe we can see 537, right? The thing is, okay, wait, hold on. Guys, okay, I'm gonna trim some off here. I'm gonna trim something light off here, just so we could be a little bit more safe, at 25 points. Yeah, just so we could be a little bit more safe. So if you guys manage to get a trim off there, not too bad of a trim, right? If we end up seeing 537, I'm gonna take another trim off there as well. But just to be safe, I'm gonna trim some off there. Let's see if we can get the sell off. Come on. We need to see something lower. We need to see something lower. There we go. Okay, bet. PT1 hit, guys. Make sure to trim some off here. Guys. I do not want to see anyone getting stopped out because the trade never hit the stop loss. And we hit PT1, guys. We hit PT1. Beautiful trade. Let's fucking go. 40 points. Let's get it, man. Let's go. 40 points on NQ. Wait. PT1 hit on NQ for plus 40 points. Trim. Let's fucking go. What a way to start a Monday, man. Let's go. What a way to start a Monday, bro. Let's get it. Everyone in here, no one should be red because the trade did not hit the stop loss. Oh my, PT2 is about to get hit. Oh my, what a snipe, man. Let's go. Too easy, man. Let's get it. 45 points. What a trade, guys. What a trade. Let's get it. Let me post this over because I have to post this. PT1 hit. Let me send it over right here. PT1 hit. Beautiful. Let me read the chat. Let me catch up with the chat. Did you guys end up getting that? Some people missed it too early. Okay, some people caught that. Okay. So some people missed it. Some people caught that. Up 600. Missed it. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you guys. With everything. Okay, I started. Thank you. I got you guys. I got you. So for those that did catch it or for those that missed it. Here, first of all, let me move my stop loss. I didn't even move it. There you go. For those that what's it called? For everyone joining up, I wasn't expecting the setup to play out so fast. So I was rushing to start the YouTube stream. I was rushing to start the live trading. I was rushing to get an entry. I had to write the commentary, the alert. Man, I was freaking out. That's why I was so quiet. But I'm seeing some people caught it. So that's some really good stuff. My first stop loss hit. Now green. Wait, JMK. Okay, yeah, because I read your chat. How did you get stopped out so early? Because, yeah, sure, the trade might have gone against us a little bit, but that does not mean we were going to get stopped out. Caught it perfectly. Beautiful. Wait. Wait. How did you go red as well? Because, okay, I'm seeing a lot of people go green, but because the stop loss never got hit. Sure, it might have been close, but it never got hit. Good shit. Yeah, I missed it, but thank you, Desert. Thank you. Here, in the meantime, let me catch up with the YouTube chat. Sexy setup off open. I'm in the office today listening. I will not be trading on my phone. Bro. Beacon, bro. But yeah, wait. I think you're, because your thing is got in too late. But wait, even if you did get in late, at least you could get the same stop loss, right? Because the trade ended up pumping up a little bit, after. Up 1,500 and still holding some. Make sure you have your stop loss set at break even. Everyone, make sure you guys have your stop loss set at break even. I do not care if I get stopped out. I'm hella green on the day. I'm working for listening like a podcast. Nice trade blast. Thank you, my man. Thank you. What was my stop loss? My stop loss was placed at 592. And man, I'm shaking. It's cold as hell in my room. Squeezy, yes sir, bro. That's what's up. Great trade. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Squeezy's up 205. Squeezy, make sure you trim, bro. Make sure you trim, cause you bought, bro. You bought more, bro. You bought more. Click buy market 2 times. Buy market 2 times, bro. You bought more contracts. Up 120. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up, bro. Squeezy, you bought more, bro. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. What was my code for TradeAvate? I want to buy one more account. It's code Blastoise. Code Blastoise. Am I already trading? Bro, we're already done for the day, man. We're not, well, yeah, we're practically done for the day, right? We're literally not even, we're almost 30 minutes into the market open, and we already caught the trade. Wow, what a quick day. Yeah, I don't know if you, yeah, hit market twice. Yes, 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 yes. Because you hit sell market, so you bought 10 more shorts instead of selling the shorts, right? To sell shorts, you need to click buy market, and to sell longs, you need to click sell market. Yeah, click the gray button, actually. Don't click buy market. Click the gray button. It'll be the gray button that says exit on market and cancel. Click that like whenever you want, but yeah, the gray button. Yes, sir. But what a trade, guys. What a trade. Wow, and we have 126 people in here. It's that quick. Wow. Let me make sure everything's looking good. Hold up. Wow. What a trade. I'm about to get stopped out on my final runners, but man, wow. And I caught that literally as I started the stream. Give us another one. Okay, I'm gonna do some commentary because I'm done for the day. I'm not trying to overtrade. I'm gonna do some commentary. Is that fine with you guys? For those that didn't catch it, is that fine with you guys? Stay live. I'm gonna stay live. No, no, no. I mean, I just started the live. I'm not gonna get off. You know what I mean? Let me see. I'm done. Yes, please. Okay, okay. So we need one. Okay, I got you. I got you. So, let me see. Don't. Yeah, Jazzy, don't worry. I'm done for the day. I made my money. Most people made their money. But for those that didn't, don't worry. I'm gonna do some commentary. Right. So for those that didn't catch it, but wow, what a trade, guys. That was a beautiful trade. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really wish PT2 would have gotten hit. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of expecting it. But you know, you can't always get everything you ask for in the market. Bro, my AC is blasting right now, man. It's cold as hell, so I'm shaking. Here, let me drink some water. I'm gonna catch up with the chat right now, guys. I'm done. I'm gonna catch up. Thank you. I'm done for the day too. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, no, I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking right now. It's not even because of it's not even because of the trade. It's that my house is literally, it's like 60 degrees in here. We up last 27K, might be faster than 2 weeks. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, making 2K does not take all that long. I promise you can probably do it in a week. But yeah. I still trimmed a little too quick. Should I wait for PT1 to trim? Not always, Waldo. Not always. Not always. There's nothing wrong with trimming. Just like I said, make sure you don't do it as heavy. Just trim like maybe like half or something, and then you go from there. Bro, how did I know the market was gonna go lower? Okay. In the meantime, okay, while we wait for the next setup and I do the commentary, what was my entry? My entry was 67. It was 18,567 for NQ shorts. But okay, let me show you guys exactly how we managed to catch this trade, because it's actually not all that hard. Right? So, hold on, let me let out. My bad. Okay. So, how did I know this trade was gonna go lower? Well, first of all, we need to see we need to see where the drawn liquidity is. It's actually really, really easy, right? So if you expand your time frame, you guys can see that the Asia high and London high, which was this high up here and this high up here, these two highs ended up getting swept, you know, around market open, right? Maybe like an hour before, right? So of course, with the market, you know, sweeping liquidity right off open, I'm sure. I think KB. I told someone that I was expecting downside, right? The reason being is because, first of all, we swept liquidity. With us sweeping liquidity, what ended up happening is we're getting the MSS to the downside, and we're getting more of a bearish bias, right? Sure, we might not have the most bearish bias just yet, but it's something to expect, right? So with the bearish bias that we were expecting, right, it finally ended up coming through, right? The market ended up dumping, and we created this bearish value gap, and we also ended up sweeping liquidity, right? Now, you can see in this next candle, the market was not really interested here. Let me tell you all these lines. The market was not really interested in going in like reversing pretty much, right? Because we got a huge selling candle, we swept liquidity, and we got another selling candle right here, right? So what ended up happening is I'm like, okay, well, if we don't want to inverse off this drawn liquidity, we always have room to go even lower into this level, this level, this level, and so on, right? So I'm like, okay, if the market's trend is really bearish, right? We have a bearish value gap, and we have drawn liquidity to the downside. A simple retracement won't be all that hard, right? How big was my stop loss? I'm pretty sure it was like, well, like, okay, I got an entry at 67. So let me see. So I got an entry at 67 or 68, like 67 around here. My stop loss was 24 points. 24 points. So it wasn't all that much, right? And that's why, you know what? I was gonna do it. But yeah, I'm not really gonna try to explain the setup all that much. Hey, what's up, Santiago on YouTube, bro? What's going on? What's going on? So are we looking for an inverse? We could. I mean, buyers look pretty strong here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Buyers do look pretty strong. The thing is, you gotta ask yourself, do we have room to go higher? Which in this case, we kind of do. It's not looking the best to the upside, but we do have room to go a little bit higher, at least into these levels of liquidity, right? So yeah, I mean, an inverse off this won't be all that bad because buyers are looking pretty strong. So if you guys do want to try to take this, honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I'm not gonna lie, right? Let me see. Look at the 15-minute fair value gap. Oh yeah, you guys gotta be careful with this 15-minute. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, although buyers are coming in pretty strong, and we did end up sweeping liquidity down here, right here at this 536 level, which is the New York low. Good thing we took our trims there. Is buy stop a stop loss? If you're in shorts, it depends. Right? You guys need to be careful with this 15-minute fair value gap. But yeah. Wow, this was by far. I'm glad I joined this. Wait, Bowser, did you end up catching this? Look at ES. Let me check it out for you. And guys, I have to settle down a little bit because I'm all over the place. Like my mind is racing. Yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. An inverse off this 5-minute doesn't look too shabby. Just be careful with this 15-minute, which is right around the corner. So I do think we're gonna inverse it, especially with the buying coming in. So if you guys want to look for some longs, an area around here won't be all that bad. But yeah, let me check out ES. Oh, and ES is also trying to inverse. We haven't inversed yet, so be careful with that. We also have another fair value gap up here to inverse. So ES is definitely a lot weaker. How many trades did I take per day? I usually take 1 to 2 trades a day. Usually 1. But sometimes if I have to, I'll do 2. I was sleeping. Had I not gotten up a minute late, I would have missed a trade. Wait, Zay, did you end up catching it? Or no? I think that's what you mean, right? Like you caught it, right? Because you woke up 1 minute early. I think. I don't know. I might have misread that. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, well, I'm not gonna tell you guys to enter here now, but an entry around this inverse would have been really nice. I mean, buyers look extremely strong. I don't even know where this buying is coming from. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But did anyone end up catching that inverse? Yes, up 700. Yes, sir, bro. That's what's up. Here, let me catch up with the chat on all the other stuff here. Bro, squeezy, bro. Bro, that's what's up. But yeah, guys, I don't know. Did anyone end up getting the inverse off this 5-minute fair value gap? I can't even say it. I won't know. But no, nah, I did. Okay, so Miguel did. Eduardo did. Okay, make sure you guys are trimming on the way up. The FOMO hit. Bro, wait, M2, did you at least end up catching the shorts that we caught? Or no? Wait, Void, bro, how are you down, bro? Okay, so M2, at least you're green, bro. As long as you're green, that's what matters. No, there's no point of hitting FOMO. Right? Wait, did we re-enter? No, we didn't, Ruff. No, we did not. I'm green. That's what's up. Beautiful. But I need one more trade for what, bro? If you're green, call it. Call it a day, bro. We finished the day in like 20 minutes. What's the point of trading? Quick 6:45. That's what's up. All right, real quick. Yeah, bro. Call it a day. Call it a day. Um, real quick, I'm gonna send something in the premium chat, guys. I want to see those reactions come in. I want to see that. I want to see them. I want to see them. I want to see how many people ended up catching that. Real quick, if you guys could do me, a quick favor, just see, what's going on there. And don't worry, guys. I'm gonna stay on the live for a little bit. All right, so I'm seeing a lot of people are green. Okay, okay, perfect, perfect, beautiful. Let me see. Male, and then who was red line? Damn, 30 people. Oh my, yo, you guys are going crazy, man. All right, bro. Let me see. Buy live data. I have live data. Relax. The thing is, my YouTube is delayed by 2 minutes, so anything that I say is 2 minutes delayed. So that's why. Uh, keep talking about a liquidate. What the hell? Oh, I don't know. Oh, here comes the trolling. All right, at least we got some good vibes for today. Thank you. What, bro? I can't see the names, guys. I can't see the names. So wait, look. Let me show you guys. Because the thing is, I'm streaming, so I have streamer mode on. So you guys see how I have? Wait. You see how for some names it's like dot dot dot. So I can't really even see the things. Am I delayed for the premium? No, 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 no. I mean, of course not. No, no, no. The YouTube is 2 minutes delayed because of course it's free, right? So I'm not trying to give out too much, and make the premium be a little bit worthless. Missed it? Don't worry, Muda. I'm gonna stay on the live for a little bit longer. Maybe I'm gonna be putting out some commentary, but for me, I'm not gonna be alerting anymore because I made my money, right? And most people made their money. So if you guys missed it, don't worry. I got you guys with crazy volume for a no news Monday, bro. It's insane. It's actually insane. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and mark out this for rally gap right here because we might be able to get some sort of trade here. But wow, what a trade! 40 points on a Monday. I'll take it. I don't even care. I'll take it. But here, let me catch up. Let me catch up with all the chats here. Okay. What is streaming? Okay, so Connor, and for everyone new to the premium or anyone watching my YouTube, pretty much what trimming means is, okay, let's say for example, right, you enter this trade with 10 micros, right, and the trade is going your way, and let's say for example you're up $500, right? Now, of course, you don't want to be risking to go back red, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sell half of your contracts, meaning you're gonna be selling 250. That's gonna be guaranteed yours, right? And you're gonna have 250 unrealized gains, right? So pretty much what that means is when you have unrealized gains, you move your stop loss to break even, right? When you move your stop loss to break even, pretty much what that means is if the trade goes against you, sure, you might lose the 250 that's unrealized, but that does not mean you're going red on the trade, right? You're going to be selling for zero, first of all. And even if you sell for zero, you're still going to be up 250 since you took profits on the way down, right? So you're pretty much just micromanaging the trade to make sure that it goes in your favor no matter what the trade does, right? So that's why I'm always so quick to tell everyone, make sure you guys trim, right? Up 10 bands? Bro, what? He took the trade with you and went in again? Bro, he chased, bro. Why? Don't. The rule number one, bro, never chase. Started 2 weeks ago. Bro, the thing is, I think your name is Quest. How did you go red on that? That's what I'm confused about, because the trade never hit the stop loss. Don't chase him. I went in hella late. But still, okay. The thing is, okay, the problem is, if you guys go in late, if you guys know that you're gonna go in late, like if you're looking to enter and the price is nowhere near my entry point or any entry point that you like in general, you don't have to size all the, you can have the same stop loss, right? Because the thing is, I don't place a random stop loss. I place my stop loss at where liquidity is lying. Get that, keep that in mind, right? So my stop losses, they're all based off liquidity, right? I try to have the best stop losses and the best reason behind that stop loss. I'm not gonna put a random level and just hope that it never goes into that level. You get what I'm saying? So what ends up happening is, oh, and by the way, PT1, if you guys did end up entering longs, your PT1 is about to get hit, right? But let's say for example, if you're looking to enter shorts and the price is not where you want to enter at, you don't have to chase it, right? You can always size less. So if you're gonna do 10, and it's like super far away from your entry point, you can always do 5. You know what I mean? Like you could always size light. So you can have the same stop loss, but you just won't lose if the stop loss does end up getting hit. You're not gonna lose as much. You get what I'm saying? So the thing is, like when I give you guys a stop loss, honestly, in my opinion, that's the best stop loss you guys could possibly have, right? Because I saw, like, for example, I saw JMK. You got stopped out. You probably had a random stop loss, right? That's why you got stopped out. For Quest, I'm pretty sure that's your name. You probably got stopped out because I'd assume you had a random stop loss at a point where you just didn't want to lose money. You know what I mean? Took that PT1. Yeah, guys. Eval or not Eval. JW, Vizzy, or whoever ended up taking longs off this. Make sure you guys trim some off here because PT1 did get hit. PT1 did get hit. Got out for 115. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what I like to hear. But Quest, do you get what I'm saying? Like if you want to enter the trade with us or any trade in general that you see, right? But you don't like where the entry point is, you can always size less and have the same stop loss, right? But yeah. What would have been the ideal entry for the inverse? Okay, so let's say for example, what you were looking to inverse was gonna be this one right here, right? So ideally, as long as price holds above this inverse, my entry point would be anywhere from 613 all the way up to like 620, so around this range right here. So the way it would look like would be somewhat like this, like 620. Let's say for example, the thing is with this trade, your stop loss is nowhere to be found. So if anything, you'll probably have to base it off the 1 minute, and you could do like something like this, for example. Or the thing is, with this type of inverse, you don't have a stop loss. That's the problem, right? With the trade that we took, we had a beautiful stop loss, right? So the trade that we ended up taking was this one right here. So we entered, let's say for example, not for example, we literally entered at what was it? It was 67. We had a stop loss up here, right? We had to take profit down here and down here, right? So we were looking at a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Right, not the best, but the trade ended up playing out. Yes, bro, my stop loss was 20 points. The thing is, okay, sometimes, okay, since like how I said to Quest, right? If your stop loss is too far to the point where you're not comfortable doing it, there's nothing wrong with having more than a 20-point stop loss. There is nothing wrong with that, right? The thing is, instead of sizing the usual amount, you can always size less. There is nothing wrong with sizing less. You're still gonna make money if the trade goes your way. You get what I'm saying, right? So if your stop loss is 25 points and your usual is 20 points, you could size down 3 micros, maybe 5 micros. You could do whatever you want. You know what I mean? You're just de-risking off that trade, even though you're risking more, right? But yeah. Is that fair value gap gonna be respected? Yeah, this fair value gap, I mean, it's pretty far, don't get me wrong. But yeah, it is a valid fair value gap. Yes, it is. Now, be careful with this fair value gap. The reason I say be careful with this fair value gap is because, guys, okay, matter of fact, let me ask you guys. No, and I'm not going to trade. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. You could, if you want. Just, that's up to you. Right? Let me ask you guys. Why do you guys think this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap right here, probably won't be as bullish? Right? Exactly. Exactly. Like Clockwise says and like Beam said. Right? A possible liquidity sweep could happen here. I'm not saying that liquidity will get swept here, but it's a possibility. Right? You guys know every time I tell you guys, any level in the market that is drawing liquidity has a chance of sweeping and forming an MSS model, right? So what can end up happening here is the market could go ahead and sweep this level, or it can go ahead and sweep 673, which is the highest level of liquidity nearby. And what can end up happening here is the market can go ahead and start reversing back to the downside, right? If the trend is bearish, right, and the market is no longer interested in going any higher because we took out every level of liquidity, what can end up happening is we easily inverse this bullish fair value gap, right? And we can start seeing liquidity to a downside, for example, at 515, right? So that's exactly what can end up happening. So be careful with this one, right? Because keep in mind, if you do end up retracing into this fair value gap and you take longs, you're running the risk of forming an MSS model off this level of liquidity. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but you're also, it's just something to be aware of, right? Because the way we use regular fair value gaps, the way we use them is we use them to write them into liquidity. Now, if we have a bullish fair value gap but liquidity already got swept, there's no reason for realistically for the market to go back up into that level. Sure, it could, but it's not something that is really too ideal. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let me catch up with the chat. Let me see. See if everything's looking good here. Okay. Oh, okay, and let me explain this to you guys. Okay, please stop saying right so many times. It's literally distract. Okay, my bad for that. My bad for that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't have too much control over that because I don't even realize that I'm saying it. It's just in my vocabulary. So after like every sentence that I do, I always ends with it. So it's not something I can control because of course it comes with the stream, right? Bro, Voy, what are you, bro? What? Okay, okay. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on now. Come on now. What are you? Okay, yeah, yeah. Voy, what are you trading? I took shorts at bro. For what? There's no setup. There's no setup here. Why would you take shorts when the market is pretty bullish? We're literally taking drawn liquidity as we go, and you're oversizing on top of that, bro. Yeah, no, bro. For now, you're 0 for 2, bro. Call it a day. We have to review that because, you know what I mean. We have to review. We have to review. We have to review. Um, Cause yeah, no, bro, you're trading no setup. Okay, I know right now you're probably like a little bit like all over the place, revenge trading, cause that's what you're doing. I pretty much see it, right? You're revenge trading. So what you're gonna do is, I don't care how much you want to trade. I don't care whatever you see. Close the charts, right? Cause you're gonna keep revenge trading and you're gonna end up blowing your account, right? So you don't have to send your P&L anymore. I already know what you did. I already know what you did. And bro, JDY, bro, tell me about it, man. But boy, stop revenge trading. Close the charts, because I know right now your mind is all over the place, and you know what I mean. You're over trading, you're revenge trading, and there's no setup in the market right now. There's nothing to trade. I know the market is pumping up like crazy, but there is no reason to be in any setup unless you took longs off this inverse right here. If not, stop trading it, bro. Caught my first win on a 100k eval. So I have a lot to go, bro. Day by day, Chris. Day by day, day by day. But bro, Void, take it easy, bro. Trust me right now, bro. Close Tradeovate. Do not trade anymore. I don't care, bro. I don't care. No, bro. Close the charts. You're done. You're done, bro. Cause 0 for 2, that's enough. You know what I mean? Like your mental. Like I mean, you're literally revenge trading like in front of our face. You know what I mean? Like I'm being for real. I'm being for real. Bro, no, not like that either. But no, like you guys know my rule. If you're 1 for 1, if you're green, 1 for 1, call it a day. If you're 0 for 1, sure, you could take one more trade, right? Void took that one last trade, and he went red, right? He broke one rule, which is over. No, he broke two rules. Over trading. No, not over. No, he broke one, right? Which was revenge trading, right? He took something that didn't have a setup, right? So, bro, just close the charts. We'll review it later. There's always time. There's always room for improvement, and you'll make it back. Just stop blowing accounts, right? Stop blowing accounts. I took a W with you too, but bro, you chased it again, bro. You took profits and you entered again, right? I always repeat this, always. Do not chase the trades after you take a win. So yeah, just chill out there. Just chill out there. But in the meantime, okay. Okay, the market is super bullish, right? Um, And as well, Void, what you end up doing is, bro, you're going against the trend. Sure, first of all, we never showed drawn liquidity. We never got the confirmation that liquidity was being swept, right? Sure, we might have gotten a small rejection, but that does not mean an MSS is forming. There's no red candles, right? And second of all, we never even ended up inversing the setup that we would have inversed if we did sweep liquidity, which is going to be this bullish fair value gap right here. So you messed up a lot there. So we have to review that. We have to improve there and all that stuff. Do you think it's going to be bullish sweeping more liquidity to the upside? Okay, so Mario, in this case, if the market okay, keep in mind we ended up sweeping pretty much other liquidity nearby, right? So a possible MSS here could form. I'm not saying it will, right? Because I'm not trying to tell you guys to go short, right? But it is possible, right? Why? Because the market ended up taking out other levels of nearby liquidity, which is at 693 and 672. So if the market were to reject off anywhere, it would practically be around this range. Now, if we don't end up rejecting and we keep seeing, if we keep going higher, we definitely have room for about 63 or like 60 more points to go higher, right? So we have room into liquidity at 762. What level is that? Well, if you zoom out, you guys will see that right here, right? Let's go like on the 30-minute time frame. You guys see that we have a triple top up here at 762. You guys know the more rejections a level has or the more bounces a level has, the stronger liquidity is behind that level, right? So this is why I have 804 and 762 as liquidity. Could we see it? Yeah, it's possible, right? Because the trend is really bullish. But if the market were to reject off anywhere, it would practically be right now. Now, if the market does end up rejecting, we need confirmations behind that to actually enter the shorts, right? So that's something we'll wait on. But right now, if the market does keep breaking new highs, which it kind of is, right, we can expect 762 to get taken out. You don't revenge trade in a minute in front of people. You gotta keep it quiet, bro. I know, but man, like seeing like you know what I mean? Like we've been having a really good morning. I mean, we're practically done for the day, right? We made our money. I made about 800 off this trade, right? And I'm sure like a lot of people ended up catching it, right? But then when someone gets a win off your trade, then chases it again after they enter, they go red, and then they revenge trade right after and go against the trend, right? Of course they're gonna keep going red, and you know me as a mentor, I need to help my members, right? So seeing them go red over something that I try teaching every single day not to do, right? It kind of, you know what I mean? It goes against the teaching, right? So it gets me a little bit frustrated. Where do you put your stop loss? Which trade? JMK, for which trade? For the one that we took? Ready for the next trade? Squeezy, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I might just do commentary for the rest of the day because I made my money, bro. I'm happy. I'm happy where I'm at right now. Anyone getting into longs right now, bro? Don't chase longs here. If you wanted to get into longs, it would have been all the way down here, right? Off this inverse right here. This is where you should have entered longs, not all the way up here. That's risky. That's risky. I'll bet. Hey, bro, Squeezy, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Take it easy, and I'll see you tomorrow if you're gonna call it a day. Why is everyone so greedy? Bro, I'm not sure. Guys, we've been killing it like for the last like 2 months. Like this is nothing new to you guys. I don't know why you guys are breaking your rules. You guys know how we trade. But yeah, there's a bearish SMT. We're at. Because right now the market is bullish as hell. I would say more because you guys know ES has been a lot more bearish throughout the morning rather than NQ. Rest of the SMT is there. But yeah, I mean, let me see. David, so I just gotta stop and make back to grand. Bro, no, you do not have to make that in. Bro, boy, hear me out. Hear me out. You do not have to make the money that. Okay, guys, the money that you lose in one day, you do not have to make it back in one trade. If you do that, you're gonna be. First of all, you're gonna be oversizing. You're gonna be chasing, and you're not gonna be taking profits when you should be. So you do not need to make back 2K. Like realistically, yeah, you do to get the payout. Right, but you do not need to make that back in one trade. You don't need to make it back in 1 week. You don't need to make it back whenever. Right? The money will come. But stop making these dumb, pretty much these stupid decisions that you're making right now. These trades are practically dumb. You know what I mean? You're chasing trades. You're revenge trading, and you're going against the trend. That's literally everything that you're going against the teaching that I'm trying to put out. You know what I mean? So of course you're gonna get me a little bit frustrated because you know what I mean. I'm trying to help you make money. Like pretty much everyone made money here today, right? Then you're breaking the rules, and of course, I have to go and teach you how to not do it. You know what I mean? So yeah, take your ego out of yeah, exactly. So if it starts being bearish, do we wait for price to hit the fair value gap marked and enter shorts? Okay, Mario, two things can happen here, right? So let's say for example, right, the market ends up sweeping liquidity, which is kind of what we're trying to do, right? The market is rejecting, the buyers are getting a little bit weaker as we expected, right? Why are they getting weaker? Because the market ended up sweeping all of the liquidity nearby, right? Which is at, of course, 693 and 672, right? So we took out liquidity, right? Now, there's two things that can happen, right? If we start getting the MSS and the what's it called, the pretty much the trend, the overall trend is bearish on the smaller time frame, right? What ends up happening is you can either enter shorts all the way down here, which is really risky because this fair value gap is so far away, right? Sure, you can enter shorts here and get something out of it, or right, since we don't have any fair value gaps up here to inverse, what you can do is you can wait for a fair value gap to be formed, right? Something like this, for example, right? So the way it would look like would be like this. So here, let me go ahead and get you the thing, background red, extends to the right. Okay, so what can end up happening is, let's say for example, we create a fair value gap, something like this, right? Keep in mind, there's nothing to inverse down here, right? But we end up creating a fair value gap right here, right? So what can end up happening is you look for a simple retracement into this fair value gap, which will look somewhat like this, right? You look for a retracement just like this, right? Let me see. Right, you look for a retracement into the middle of the fair value gap, and then you take shorts, right? Because inversing this one all the way down here is it's too far. You know what I mean? Like, it's too far. It will take, first of all, it will take a huge, like, you need to sell off so much to see this inverse, and then you need to get another sell off to go in profit. You know what I mean? So you're kind of chasing the sell off there, right? In my case, what I would do is I would ideally just wait for a fair value gap to be formed around this range, and then you look for a simple retracement into it, right? So that's what I would do ideally. And let me know if that made sense. Let me know if that made sense. This is insane how you can really have financial freedom from trading from a tiny amount, bro. Gabe, okay, no, okay. To be real, as much as I want to tell you, yeah, it's kind of like this. Not always, right? Sure, we might have had an amazing Monday, but not every day will be like this. Last week, like 3 out of the 5 days, we ended up trading the entire day. I promise you, I was sitting on my setup, barely blinking, barely getting up, or not even getting up at all, from 9:30 to 4. Then I have to stay on Discord from 9:30 to 6 replying to messages, right? So it's not always gonna be like this, but the days that we do have it, man, it feels amazing. Trust me, bro. Void, please just close the charts, bro. You're gonna blow your account, and you're gonna be in the chat talking about it, and that's not something I'm trying to hear. You made more money make tonight, bro. Gabe, trust me, just focus on it, and I promise you, it's doable. Last week was still great. Oh, and last week was amazing. Don't get me wrong. Last week was amazing. But it was definitely, let me see. When you knew, it's hard not to chase, but yeah, man, great teacher calling them out. It'll help them learn. Love it. Great to see you, care, bro. Thank you, Beacon, bro. But yeah, at least you get what I'm saying. You know what I mean? At least you get what I'm saying. Void, do not chase shorts if there's no setup and there's no confirmation, bro. Like I said, you don't need to make that money back in one trade. You don't even need to make it back in a week. Right now, you're facing a little bit of emotions, right? You're event trading. You're gonna overtrade. You're gonna blow up your account, and you're gonna be in the chat talking about, you blowing up your account and possibly quitting. I'm not trying to hear that. You know what I mean? That's the last thing I'm trying to hear. I'm gonna be super real with you guys. When you guys talk about blowing accounts, I hate hearing that. You know what I mean? So. Your legend called that trade out so well. Appreciate you, Kevin. I really hope you made some money off that. And that goes for everyone in here as well. You were in the payout range. But, bro, if you're in the payout range, first of all, why are you trading so heavy? You know what I mean? Because you end up losing almost $2,000 with that trade. Keep in mind, you end up losing $2,000 off that trade when you went green off of it. So, God knows how much you sized in that trade after you chased it. You know what I mean? Like, taking one win is amazing. Chasing the trade, that's where you start messing up, and then revenge trading after that, then you pretty much called it upon yourself. You know what I mean? You have no one to blame other than yourself. You know what I mean? As much as I want to, be the nice guy and be like, yeah, I'll teach you, which I will, right? But if no one tells you straight up, in the real way, you will never learn you'll never learn the actual way, right? So I gotta be kind of on your ass. You know what I mean? Only 10 calls, but I lost like 11 trades. But you take 11 trades in the span of like 5 minutes, bro. Like that's literally on you. You know what I mean? That's on you. You can't blame anyone else. Which account on Apex is better, 25k or 50k? In my opinion, I think 50k is a lot better. In my opinion, I think 50k is a lot better. We're trying to figure out. Miguel, I can send you. Would you want me to send you the video for the copy trading? It's really easy to set up. How do we even find what you're trading on Tradevate? I'm clicking different buttons. I can't figure it out. Here, use this MQU4. This is what I'm trading. Along around 608 area, around the 5-minute fair value gap. What do you think? The 600 area. Which fair value gap are you talking about? Are you talking about this one right here? Frank, the thing is, yeah, longs ideally will look good here, but you gotta keep in mind the market already swept. The market took out these levels of liquidity. So if the market ends up going down into this fair value gap, usually longs here won't be the best idea. Yes, you can copy trade eval accounts. Yes, you can. Will I send another alert? No, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be doing commentary. So I'll give you guys chart ideas, but me personally, I made my money for the day, and so did everyone in the premium. So we're practically done, I would say. How do you make a stop loss? Trading on Tradevate? What do you mean by that, JMK? I don't know what you mean. Can you show what you? Hold on, cause I'm getting a million DMs here. Will I send another alert in the premium? No, I'm done. I'm done for the day. We made our money. I'm not trying to overtrade with everyone and possibly lose the money that we made. But yeah, JMK, what do you mean? What do you mean? How do you make a stop loss while trading? Oh, while trading. Oh, okay, okay, got it. You don't have to explain. You don't have to explain. Um, so on the charts on TradeAvate, when you click, it'll bring up like a button that says buy X market or sell X market, right? That's how you place your stop loss. It'll say buy X stop or sell X stop. Whatever says stop, you place your stop loss like that. Last week we have a bull flag on the 1 minute chart. I don't even trade bull flags, but oh yeah, I do see it. I do see it. Yeah. The thing is, I never even marked them out, especially on the 1 minute. Bro, Jose, just tell Void to get off the charts, bro. Because I guess I'm not cutting it. You know what I mean? I could do so much. You know. But here, I got some messages here. So let me. All right. Here, let me catch up with some messages. How do you set several take profits? I do them manually. So if the trade is going my way, I just sell it. I just sell it. Just manually. I don't really set take profits ever. I only set a stop loss. Yeah, yeah. Like this, but during the trade. Yeah. So where it says sell five stop, that like if you're, let's say for example, you're in longs, right, and you click sell five stop, it's gonna place your stop loss at that level that it says. So where it says at 18,524, that's gonna be your stop loss. That's where it's gonna place it at. Here, let me go ahead and put my YouTube here. Hop on for it? Nah, but I gotta work, bro. I gotta work. And I have some stuff to do today because I've been working on a little, not a little project, but I'm just gonna be a little bit busy today during the PM session. Okay, thanks, bro. Let me see. I entered my last stop loss and got hit. Yeah, JNK. In my opinion, bro, I think you set your stop loss too tight, or you just put it at a random level where you got stopped out. Um, and you just got stopped out at a random level, practically. David, can you mark out how many points in longs which the long trade would have been if I was still in? Yeah. So wait, where was your entry? Where was your entry? Wait, you got work? No, 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 no. I don't have work. I have to do some stuff. I'm trying to open more credit cards because I'm trying to raise my credit score because I'm trying to get something. You know what I mean? I got some stuff that I'm trying to work on. But of course, me being 18, my credit score is really not all that stable. I don't have that much history. Alright, David. You made my money back to sleep. I got you, bro. Jose, take it easy, man. Let me send you my referral link. I'm trying to do Apex or not Apex, Amex, Amex. I got all of them. How many credit cards do I have? I have one. I'm trying to get a gold. I'm trying to get a gold Amex right now. But yeah, but, I mean, bro, if you have a referral link, bro, send it over. I'll sign up with it, cause right now I'm under my mom's name. Like I still have my credit and all that stuff, but I don't think it's the best to be under someone's name. Which platform? I need gold, gold. How much credit do I have? I think I have 760, around that range. Why gold? Cause bro, all I spend my money on is food. Like I don't travel, I don't do any. All I do is buy food. Preferred? Yeah, gold or oh, I mean whatever's better, bro. Shit. DM me and bro, we'll appreciate it. Appreciate it. Another great day. Have a good one. Hey, JMK, take it easy, my man. Take it easy. Amex. Let me search that up. Let me see. Amex preferred. Is that what it is? It's only $95 annually. That's not too bad. Oh wait, I have that one. 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 Yeah, yeah, I have that one. I have that one. Yeah, the clear one, right? Oh wait, no, no, no. Never mind, never mind. Cause I'm seeing like a little picture here. Cause I have a clear one, which I'm assuming is like the normal one. Any tips on getting your credit score up? Yeah, I need tips on that. I'm not gonna lie, cause I'm trying to let me see. I passed 2 accounts because my internet was bad. I mean, bro, shit, we'll take it, bro. Let me see. Apply with let me see, link with the new card. You can earn. Oh, that's like the. Let me copy that because I was gonna go to the bank today, but I don't know if I could do that online. Oh shit! I almost fucking unplugged my mic. Here, let me catch up with them. Oh, my YouTube chat. Super easy to get faked out on the 1 minute chart too. Oh yeah, no, the 1 minute, guys. I do not like the 1 minute. $900 take profit today, but really lucky. I need more discipline and a strategy. Hey, Casper, if anything, bro, you can check out my channel. I have classes on my entire strategy, left and right, bro. I have videos everywhere. If you do need that, let me know. Let me know. Oh, and if anything, if you need to ask questions, you can always join the Discord link in the description. It's all there. It's all there. It's completely free too. And by the way, guys, for those that ended up making money, guys, if you guys can post it in the Win channel, it'll be a blessing to me, guys. If you guys can do that, a little favor, you know what I mean? It'll be amazing. Your live popping, bro. Tell me about it, man. We started the live, and I promise you, not even 3 seconds later, there was 130 people in there. That was insane. Use your card and it'll pay off every time. Leave a couple bucks so you don't miss payments. Yeah, I mean, I only use my credit card, like always. You'll get some points using my referral link. Beautiful. Let me see. $6,000 on eligible purchases in the first 3. Bro, that's amazing. That's amazing. What if the win is not a future? Still trying, bro. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, but if anything, bro, if you want to catch the trades with us, bro, do some futures. There's nothing wrong with that. You could do both. You could do both. I'm waiting for the shorts, to be honest. I would say, like I'm not gonna say we're gonna get a sweep anytime soon. If anything, we would get a sweep off 762. So if the market wants to go higher, at least into 762. That's what I would say. Buy a Bible, my boy. Trust me, bro. I already got one, bro. I already got one. Don't you worry. For groceries, okay, I don't buy groceries. I do. I only go to restaurants. And I don't mean to sound like that. Like I spend my money on food. That's what I mean. Like all my money that I have, or not all the money, but like majority of the money that I spend, at least, that's what I'm trying to say, it's on restaurants. Like I don't really like buy stuff. I don't buy groceries. I don't buy clothes. I don't really, I don't need. No, I'm not. No. That's not what I meant, bro. That's not what I meant. Like yeah, like fast food. Like I don't know, sushi or some shit. So from what I heard, I heard that gold is the best for restaurants. Pay your credit card 2 weeks early. Okay, so I do 15 days before and I do 3 days before. So I pay it off 2 times a month. I pay half of it in the first 15 days, or in the last 15 days, and then during the last 3 days of the credit card, I pay off the remaining. I'm in there, bro. Wait, Casper. Wait, you're in the Discord? Bro, why are you typing in the YouTube chat, bro? Just type in the Discord, bro. I'll read it so much faster because the YouTube is delayed by 2 minutes. You know what I mean? Um, Bro, the thing is, like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I look at my credit score, and it's for months and upon months and months and months. It's just a straight line. Like my cards in time. I spend a lot of money on my cards, right? So it shows usage, but my credit score does not move. So I don't know how to do it. I heard that opening a lot more credit cards could work, but I don't know. I you know what I mean? I'm only 18, so I don't know anything about credit. I know it's important, of course. I believe you have to pay on the day the payment is due. I heard that if you do it a little bit, like a few days before it'll be a lot better. But I don't know. You need to up your overall credit limit. Let me see. Hold on, because I'm seeing a lot of pings here. Let me see. You need to have more credit lines. Exactly. So you know what I mean? Like maybe I open Chase. Maybe I open I have Amex. I only have Amex. I only have one card. Your credit has to do a lot with your reported income. The thing is, I don't know if I have a reported income. I mean, I have an LLC, but I don't know if that detects anything. Break your payments into 2. Yeah, that's what I do. Oh, so on the statement and then on the due date. Let me write that down. Hold on, let me write that down real quick. I'm trying to take any tip that I get. You know what I mean? Okay, there you go. There you go. And guys, thank you so much for helping me because with what I'm trying to do, the interest rate they're trying to charge me 15. Okay, I'm not trying to say I'm not gonna say what I'm doing yet because I'm not trying to have the bad eye or whatever or karma or I'm not trying to talk too early. But I've been trying to work with something and they're trying to charge me 15% interest and I'm not trying to do that shit. Let me see creditstrong.com. Okay, let me write that down real quick. Because 15% interest is insane. I'm gonna have to get a cosign if I'm trying to get what I'm trying to get. Paying a day before the statement as well. Customer reports additionally. Okay, let me write that down as well. Let me see. Plus, it does not have to do with your income. Oh, okay. My bad. I didn't know that. That's how I read it. You need to diversify your credit as well. It's good to have different credit lines of credits. Okay, got it. Okay, that's the thing. So, with what I'm trying to buy, I could get a cash, but that I've heard so many times that cash is not the way to go, right? For many reasons, right? And of course, I'm trying to build my credit because you guys know I'm trying to get into real estate. So of course, what better way to do it than to finance something with a credit card, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. The thing is, paying 15% interest is a robbery, right? So I'm not trying to do that. Why don't you do a business Amex for a LLC? Because realistically, I don't know if that betters your score, but the more credit. Let me see, column. The thing is, my limit gets increased a lot, like a lot. But the thing is, I don't need a business card, or at least I don't think I need one, because what am I paying for a Discord? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not really paying any business expense other than like maybe food or something. Because that's really all I buy. The whole point of a credit card is to see how well you can manage credit usage. So if you don't, so you can't always pay everything off every month. The thing that I get scared about is if I miss a month, I'm scared of my credit going down, right? Especially when I don't have too much credit history, right? It can like affect it by a lot, right? Don't use more than 30%. I don't do that as well, so I know I'm good there. And I used to be around 3-11%, so I would say it's around there. Yeah, I spend a good amount, right? It's around there. You'll need to co-sign unless you want a bad interest rate. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to co-sign with my mom about it. Let me see. Also get more credit cards. Interest rate does not matter a lot if you're paying them off. The thing is, I'm trying to make a pretty or one of my biggest purchases. So interest rate is definitely gonna affect it a little bit by a lot actually, especially 15%. Cash is king in my mind. I hate owing. That's the thing. I hate owing too. You know what I mean? Like my mom has always taught me, never ask people for anything and all that stuff. But when it gets to that point, I need credit. You know what I mean? Like, as much as I don't want to do it, I kind of have to. Let me see. Our bank has a credit builder. They will take $85 out of your account every month and will take it as a loan. Okay, let me write that down. I'm getting DMs now. Hold on, let me read these DMs. And guys, the market has been chopping a little bit. Like, don't get me wrong. Hold on. Don't get me wrong. I've been watching the market. It's a little bit choppy right now. It's chopping up a little bit. Hey, what's up, McKay? What's going on, my man? What's up? Talk to me. Let me see. Okay. Hold on, because guys, if I go quiet for a minute, it's because I'm replying to. Oh, by the way, guys, if you guys made your money for the day, I do not want to hold you guys up for so long for the entire morning. So, guys, if you guys made your money, go enjoy your morning. That's the whole point of trading. You know what I mean? You make your money, go enjoy your morning, go get a cup of coffee. I know a lot of you guys drink coffee. Maybe go get a bite to eat. Go do your own thing. You know what I mean? I don't want to hold you guys up too long. I want you guys to, of course, enjoy your day and so on. Right? So yeah, enjoy your day. I don't know about drinking Prime because I've heard a lot about stuff about that. Are we still doing trades? I'm almost done with my meeting. German, I might do some commentary during the PM session, but we finished the morning. We pretty much finished the morning. The thing is, I don't know if you're in the call, so I don't know if you can hear me. I hope you can, because I don't want to be talking to myself. Let's see, German. Here, in the meantime, let me just type it. But yeah, guys, once again, if you guys do want to be on here and you guys make your money, there's nothing wrong with you guys, going to go enjoy your day. There's no point of being on the charts if you guys made your money, especially with this chop. Don't get caught up in this. Do not get caught up in this, please. But yeah, let's see. And guys, thank you for posting the wins, guys. It means the world to me. Like, actually, thank you, guys. Thank you. Here. Oh wait, I was gonna send something over. Let me see. And oh wait, what? Oh shit. What day is today, guys? The payout window opens up on the 15th, right? The 15th through the 20th. I always forget the dates for Apex, right? We got a model forming. Is that like a triple? Wait, is that on the 1 minute? Bro, if it's on the 1 minute, bro, call me out, bro. Call me out. Call me out. Call me out. Oh, Graham Stephan. I know about Graham Stephan. Yeah. Or Graham or whatever his name is. I don't know his name. Graham. I don't know. It's that guy that I know him. I know him. Or at least I've seen him. I was on TradeRate the whole time. I've only been on Discord for like 4 hours, literally. Bro, Gabe, if you made your money, my man, call it a day, bro. Call it a day. There's no point of forcing out and going possibly red, and getting caught up in this chop. Graham. I don't know. Is it? I don't know. Hold on. I just read it fast. Is it Graham or something? I don't know. Whatever. Have you seen the Fair Value Gap on the 3-second time frame? No, I have not. Let's go ahead and check it out. Can you even go on the 3-second time frame? Bro, what? You gotta pay more? You gotta pay more to use the 1 second time frame. Like, what? That's insane. I didn't make money. I don't even know what the heck I'm looking at. Okay, so here, guys, real quick, before you guys call it a day, for those that are new, to trading, if you guys are new to the premium, first off, welcome. A lot of you guys joined over the weekend, so it's a blessing to have you guys, of course. Like every single one of you guys. But if you guys are new to TradeRate, and I know at first when you guys are new to TradeRate, the chart looks so messy, and it looks like you have to be a genius to understand everything. So what I'm gonna go ahead and send you guys is here. Let me go ahead and make sure. Okay, what I'm gonna send you guys my my file for my like the import for my TradeRate settings. If you guys do want it, it's really easy to do. Right. So what you're gonna do is download this, right? It's nothing sketchy. You guys can trust me. But what I sent in the live trading is a script for my import. So what you guys can do is download that, right? So once you guys download it, go over to TradeRate, and at the top left, you guys are gonna see a massive plus button. Click on the massive plus button, right? And under there's gonna be like a little search bar, right? Under that search bar is gonna say in all caps, it's gonna say import from file. Click on import from file and paste what you just downloaded from the live trading, and it will give you guys my complete TradeRate settings, right? It will be the tabs, everything that you guys need. So say it again. Okay, so I'm gonna do it slow. I'm gonna post that in the premium chat. Got you. Hold up. Let me post it over. Dark default. Okay. So once again, what is that? It's my settings for my TradeRate. So do not import, bro. Chill. You guys can trust me. But real stuff. On TradeRate, at the top left, you're gonna see a massive plus button right here at the top left. Click on that plus button, right? It's gonna say something that says import from file. Click on import from file, and then of course your files is gonna open up. Just open up the what you just downloaded on TradeRate, not TradingView, on TradeRate. Have I made any trades today? Yeah, I have. We ended up catching this right here. I'm sure you can see my. You can see everything. Okay, so the trade that we ended up catching was this one right here. NQ shorts at 18,567. Here's the chart, how it looked like. And we ended up taking profit all the way down here, right, for about 45 points. So a 45-point trade. That's what we ended up catching. But yeah, and that's how we're pretty much done for the day, I would say. At least for the morning. At least for the morning. But yeah, let me know. Thanks, I got you guys, and let me know. Let me know if the file will work for you guys. Let me know. Let me know. It should work. It should work. But yeah, if you guys wanna like have a super clean and super easy to use file or like template, that file that I went ahead and sent you guys is the one that I use, right? So yeah, that's the one that I use. Wait, what was that? Oh yeah, I didn't even read it. But yeah, do you have one for TradingView? I don't know if I can send you guys one. I don't think so. I don't think so. But I can show you guys how to do it. It's actually really easy. Right? All you do, the file clean as fuck. Thank you. I got you. I got you guys. Trust me. It's what I use. It's, you don't need anything more than that. Right? All you need is a chart, buy and sell, and that's it. Chop, bro, tell me about it, man. It's horrible. It's horrible. But if you guys want my settings to my trading view, right? Because I do get it sometimes that my chart is clean, right? I'm not trying to self glaze or anything, right? But in my opinion, I would say my chart is pretty clean. I mean, it's pretty much all you need. You know what I mean? Is there a certain amount of days you need in order to pass the eval account? No, you could do it in one day. You could do it in one day. You could do it today if you pass it, right? So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Bet? Yeah, I got you. All right, so if you guys want we're gonna consolidate, bro. What the hell? Is that a hippo? Bro. But anyways, if you guys want my trading view settings, it's actually really easy. Go over to symbol, right up here, right? And all I have is the body to set to opacity at 0, right? We don't really need that. Then I have it to like a tomato red right here, opacity 100, and then just green and red, green and red. And then of course for the background, I have it as solid, and I have it as like just completely black, right? So if you guys want that, feel free to have it, right? Something clean, something easy to look at. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, for the Tradeovate, it's something that you guys might need. I don't know if you guys really want it, but it's definitely a suggestion if you guys need it. Let's see. Let me catch up with the chat. Let me see. I got a ping here in this other server. Someone's good looking. Okay, perfect. But yeah, man, what a good day today. And a fast day. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of stressing. I'm like, it's gonna be a Monday. Last week, David pop one for the boys. Pop one what, bro? What you mean by that, bro? What? What you mean by that, bro? But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, damn, like it's a no news Monday. Last week, last week was a really good week. Don't get me wrong, right? But I'm like, man, like it's gonna be a Monday. It's gonna be a choppy Monday. Like, you know what I mean? But hey, I mean, today was amazing. We can't. You already know. Okay, Beam, bro. Come on now, man. Come on. But here, let me catch up with the wins channel. Oof. Okay, beautiful. Entry. All right. But yeah, I mean, is there anything else you guys will want me to review? Because practically the market is not moving. So if anything, we can always come. Okay, would you guys be down to come back PM session? I don't know about the live trading because keep in mind, I'm not gonna be home. But I could pop into the commentary channel and give you guys some setups. Would you guys want that? Or what's up? Let me know. Yeah, I'm down. Time? Okay, I can't give you the time because of course I don't know when the setup is gonna come. But usually after 1 p.m. EST. Usually. Can you explain the trailing drawdown real quick? I came from Forex, so it's new. Okay, of course, Blizz. Okay, I got you. So, and this goes for anyone that today. Today. But okay, so Blizz, right? It's actually really easy, right? So let's say for example, right? What account did you get? Do you have a 50K account, 25K account, 75K, 100K? What do you have? Let me know. I'm gonna catch you later. Amazing trade today. Have a good rest of your day. And I hope you get your credit card situation straight. Thank you, man. M2, thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, let me see. If the MSS forms, should we take the sell-off? I would say wait for a setup to form. I would say some sort of a bearish fair value gap around this range. Something like that, I would say. And in the meantime, hold on, because someone just joined. Ariella. Let me welcome them to the premium. Hold up. Ariella. Wait, I'm gonna have to see this right here. Hold on. Oh, thank you, girl. Okay, let me add them in the premium. Okay, let me catch up with all the chat. Oh, LC, bro, I saw you mentioned something in the chat. I could not read that in time. Hold on. Damn, 42 people ended up taking that trade. That is amazing. Wow. You guys are making me really proud, man. Like the good vibes, everything's going good. But anyways, okay, enough of that. Enough of that. All right. Are these the contracts on Tradevate? Yeah, that is. Okay. So, let's say, okay, Blizz. So since you're new to trading futures, let me explain to you the trading drawdown. It's actually really, really easy, right? So let's say you have a 50K account, right? So $50,000. You have a drawdown of $2,500 from the peak of the account, meaning the second you start the account, your drawdown is automatically set at $47,500, right? Okay, so what does a trading drawdown mean? Well, pretty much what it means is as you start making money, the drawdown is going to start moving along with that. Now, I know that might seem a little bit annoying, but it's not always like that, right? Apex has a feature that if you make a certain amount of money on the account, the drawdown will actually freeze. So where's that at? So the freezing drawdown, drawdown will be at $2,000 profit, right? So what does trailing mean? I completely missed the question, right? Pretty much what that means is, let's say for example, your account starts at $50,000 flat, and you make $500 for example. What's going to end up happening is your trading drawdown, it goes from $47,500 all the way into $48,000 flat. It goes up $500 since you made $500 profit, right? Pretty much what trading means is the drawdown just follows up, as you go make profit. You get what I'm saying? Right now, it won't always be like this, so you do not have to always worry about that drawdown. Right now, when the account goes above $52,000, so the second you make $2,000 profit, your drawdown will go ahead and freeze at $50,100. Right? So ever since then, right? Ever since once you make that 2K in profit, as long as the account does not go below $50,100, you're good to go. You can lose $10,000 in a day if you have to. As long as the account does not go below 50K, you're set. Yeah. So every account with the trading drawdown, it all has a freezing drawdown. Very interesting rule. I understand. Cheers. No, got you. Oh, that's all about it. Yeah. So actually, a lot of people don't know that because Apex doesn't mention it for some reason. Maybe it's too. I don't know. They don't mention it. But yeah. From what I know, because you guys know, I practically only use 50K accounts. I do know that the 50K accounts, they have a freezing drawdown at $2,000, right? What's the drawdown? When you first open the PA account? It's at 47,500. So the second the PA opens up, it'll be set at this number. Can you explain the 30%? Because okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I do not understand the 30% rule. I don't know how it works. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think you can't make more than your highest point ever. I don't know. I can't really tell you that. I know it's my job to be trading and fund this and that, but I'm gonna be super real with you guys. I do not understand how that rule works. I just don't know. I don't think anyone gets it. But yeah. In the meantime, let me open up my YouTube. What's good? Did I catch a trade? Yeah, I did. I did. Trader settings for the premium only. Dice. No. Here. Dice. Hold on. Let me send it in chat. On Discord. Okay, there you go. It took out drawn liquidity. Oh yeah, I just did it. Okay, perfect. We can watch the reaction. Keep in mind, guys. I'm not trading this. I'm not gonna trade anything. Do I trade on a live account on Tradevate? Yeah, I use Tradevate. Yeah. I do. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys. Like I said, I'm not gonna be trading this. Because of course I'm done for the day. I made my money, and most of you guys made your money, right? But there's nothing wrong with watching this just to learn something new, right? So yeah. In the meantime, let me send this over to Dice. Let me see if I can. Oh, right here, Dice Too Nice, right? Yeah, there it is. Okay, here, let me send you the file. That's a pretty catchy name. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Dice Too Nice. I like it. But yeah. Okay. Realistically, guys, if the market were to reject off anywhere, it would be practically right now, right? If you want to keep going higher, sure, we can expect 804. But you guys know every level of liquidity has a chance of the market reversing. So we have a pretty good chance of the market taking out this level of liquidity and we go a lot lower, right? So we could watch, right? If buyers still seem a little strong, we can expect 804. But for now, we're kind of signaling some sort of an MSS. It's not confirmed because it's only one little sell-off, but it's a step in the right direction. You get what I'm saying? Okay, let me see. Your highest days should be under the 30% of your overall 10 trading days, and you're fine. Okay, so whatever that means, I guess so. What the hell, bro? Beam, bro, you're creative, bro. You're creative, man. You're creative, bro. What the hell? That's something, bro. That is something, man. Anyways, that is something. That is something. But yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, I know there's 80 people in here, so at least 80 people can understand. Guys, big stuff this week. Big stuff this week, right? So, if I open up Forex Factory, right, you guys might realize that this week, I'm sure most of you guys know, but this week we have CPI. We have CPI on Wednesday. I'm sure you guys know, but for those that are new, right? Because I know a lot of you guys joined over the weekend. Maybe you guys joined over the past week or whatever. You do not trade CPI. Do not trade CPI, guys. Especially, okay, if you guys are on a PA account, if you guys passed your funded accounts, do not trade CPI because you're gonna get your payout denied first and foremost, right? So even if I wanted to, I can't really trade CPI, right? Now, after CPI happens, do not trade it, right? 9 out of 10 times, all that, okay, pretty much what ends up happening is CPI has a huge candle, and I'm talking hundreds of points, right? So let me see. How long do I have to wait before I cash out with Apex? 10 days. 10 days. So yeah, okay. Sitting on hands, it's a position if you miss the trade. Exactly, Frank. Exactly. But guys, real talk. On Wednesday, do not expect any trades from me. Do not expect a live trade from me. Just because I do not trade CPI's days, and there's a big reason behind it. It's not like an excuse like, oh, I just don't want to trade. No, I'm being for real. Practically with FOMC and CPI days, these days are known for major chop. Major chop. Yeah, so Wednesday is gonna be a little day off for us. Yeah, like a mini day off, right? Main reason being is these days, since when FOMC starts, you guys know all the volume goes into that candle, right? For CPI, when that CPI candle comes in, every single all the volume in the market goes into that candle. Hence why these candles are like 400, 600 points and around there, right? Because all the volume is going into it. Now, when so much volume goes into the market, right, there's not enough volume when the market opens up to where the market wants to trend, right? Sure, some days, some CPI days we might trend, some CPI days might be a little bit bad, some days might be good, but 9 out of 10 times they are bad, right? So I rather take the risk of not trading and missing one good day out of hundreds that we have, right? Just to not risk going red on CPI, because going red on CPI, guys, let me tell you, it is the worst thing ever, right? So what's the news rule on Apex? I can't read your name because it's dotted out, and I'm not trying to be picky or anything, but I literally can't read your name, right? It's like J like J dot dot dot. So whatever your name is, I'm sure you know who you are. The reason you can't trade news on Apex is it's always been a known rule, right? Apex wants to pay out traders that are consistent, not traders that not traders that made $10,000 with one news candle and they're gonna have to pay them out, right? They don't want that, right? Of course, they only want you to be trading consistently and they want to pay out real traders, right? Of course, if you're gambling news, you're not a trader. You're practically a gambler, right? So yeah, that is the news on Apex, right? So yeah, no, you can't on evals. Yes, you can trade CPI. Do I suggest it? No, right? So yes, eval accounts can't trade CPI because the evaluation accounts, no one cares about them. But if you're on a funded account where you're gonna get paid, right? They're not gonna pay you out if you trade news, so don't do that. Who's trying to hop on Valorant? PS5, bro. I heard the game is horrible on PS5. Because of course, bro, you can't. Valorant is not a game that you can play on console. You know what I mean? I mean, maybe it's good. I haven't played it. But bro, like Valorant is a PC game, like CS. You know what I mean? The whole idea of Valorant on console it's horrible. It's horrible. Yeah, exactly. Who the hell plays CS on a console? You might as well just play Call of Duty or some shit. You know what I mean? I know it's console against console, but man, let's say there's someone behind you. You can't flick them. You gotta like You gotta turn. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna take forever. It'll be funny to watch. Yeah, don't get me wrong, and it's probably fun. But if you're trying to play ranked and shit, bro, nah, I'm good off that, bro. I'd rather just play PC. And I'm not gonna lie, guys. If you guys don't have a PC in this day and age, bro, I mean, come on now. I mean, there's PS4 emulators. There's everything, right? How long do you have to wait after news drop for Apex to consider it fine? Like 10 minutes, like 5-10 minutes around there. I think it'll be fine. Just don't trade. Apex just doesn't want you to be in a trade a few seconds before the news comes out, right? I haven't owned a console since PS3. The last one I've had, okay, I have a PS3 was my favorite, bro. Skate 3 back then, that game was bro. Best game out there. Best game out there. Don't get me wrong. Skate 3, that game was gold, right? GTA was also pretty good, and that's pretty much all I played. What else? What else? PS4, I've always stuck to GTA and Fortnite, and then PS5, I literally don't even use it. So yeah, I don't use my PS5. Can you type in the commentary if you find another setup? Yeah, Gus, don't stress it, bro. Yeah. If I find a trade or if I find a setup, I will let you guys know in the commentary channel. But yeah, right now, so far, nothing too interesting in the market, nothing catching our eyes. So of course, there's nothing to really trade here. Hey, bro, Gus, take it easy, my man. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. How much do you want? Do you want for my PS5, bro? I'm not gonna lie. We ended up getting it because it's like me and my brothers, or my brothers and I, whatever. We have it in the living room. Bro, we got it like No, it was in the summer. I'm pretty sure it was during quarantine, right? The PS5 game came out during quarantine. We got it like the week of. Bro, I remember back then for the PS4, bro, when I was a little kid, bro, me and my brothers, or my brothers and I, or however you guys wanna pronounce it, bro, we stayed outside of the GameStop all night, bro. Our parents had to go drop us drop food off. I remember, bro. That thing was those were the days, bro. Those were the days. You know what I mean? Like Call of Duty came out, you stay outside the GameStop. PS4 came out, you stay outside. Now it's all online. Like you order it on Amazon. You know, that's just boring. You know what I mean? My sons use Xbox, but they don't even game that much anymore. I'm not gonna lie, me too. I used to play like 20. Like my mom would force me. My mom would force me to get out of my room. Now my mom has to force me to stay in my room because I go out too much. But it's not like that either. But you get the idea. You know what I mean? But bro, like when it comes to working, you know what I mean? Like ever since I started trading, my interest for playing games has gone down. Like now I rarely even play. You know what I mean? I remember the midnight launch for BO2, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna say I was there at the launch for the BO2 because bro, I was a little ass kid. You know what I mean? So I definitely wasn't there, but my brothers were there. My brothers were there because my brothers are a lot older than me. But I was there for the PS4 launch. We got it. I promise you guys. I'm pretty sure we were like the third in line. To get it. Bro, you're in 7th grade for BO2, bro. You must have a whole fucking family right now, bro. Tell me about it, bro. Bro, cause you actually start, bro. Yeah, exactly. I mean, bro. Eventually, you're gonna have to grow up from games. I mean, there's nothing wrong with playing. Don't get you. Okay, let me not be a hypocrite. You guys see me on at 4 in the morning playing Fortnite, right? Sometimes, or most nights, right? Bro. But yeah, I mean, bro, those were the good days, man. Trust me, like, bro, the new game of Pokemon, like now Pokemon, but that's just dead. You know what I mean? Like, that's how I got my name, right? Cause bro, I used to be a huge Pokemon fan. Like, I've always been like that type of guy that the day the game comes out, the day the game comes out or the day the console comes out, I'm there. You know what I mean? Like, bro, where's the commentary channel? It's in my Discord, Wise. So if you want to go ahead and join the commentary and the premium and all that stuff, it's all here in the premium. But yeah, if you do want to see how the commentary looks, let me show you. So today in the commentary, if you look at my screen, or if you're watching the stream, of course, I pretty much ended up telling everyone that, yeah, so far what's going on is the trend is bearish as the market swept liquidity up here, right? We formed a fair value gap, so all we're looking for is a simple retracement into the midpoint, which we ended up getting, right? And we're going to be targeting, that's the word, 515. What ended up happening? Well, we formed the fair value gap. We retraced into it. We got the midpoint right here, just like that. We rejected. We entered shorts, and we got a 45-point trade just like that, right? And that's how we're done for the day. Now we're just pretty much just chatting, you know, having a good time with the premium and all that good stuff. Can you post your alerts in the RPs Discord? I literally cannot. Yeah, I did. For those that are from RPs or whatever, you know, maybe you guys might be tuning into the stream. It's all here. I also posted it here, right? So yeah, it's all there. Anyways. It's just not as detailed, you know what I mean? Because of course I'm gonna prioritize my group always. It's my group, You know what I mean? But I did post everything there. Alright, bro. I got to sleep before I go to work. It was an interesting first day in here, and I didn't understand anything, bro. Gabe, trust me, you're gonna get it day by day, bro. Trust me, you're in good hands. That's all I can assure you, you're in good hands, bro. But yeah, don't stress it. I got you. I got you. But yeah, bro, have a good, of course, have a good and amazing and blessed day, bro. But yeah, hopefully you didn't. Hopefully you heard that. Yeah, you did. Okay, perfect, perfect. Um, oh, and bro, Gabe, wait, Gabe, before you go, here, if anything, for anyone that's new or anyone that wants to learn my strategy, guys, scroll up. It's completely free. You guys don't have to be paying for my YouTube or for the premium, guys. Go to this day trading guide channel and all my videos for everything, for completely everything, right? It's all here. Trade breakdowns, my strategy, everything. It's all here from A to Z. Anything that you guys need behind my strategy, it's all here, right? It's all organized to everything that you guys need. It's all here for completely free. It's on the day trading guide channel. But yeah, and bro, I want to go buy food, bro. I'm trying, bro. I can't even. Oh, okay, bro. Beam, chill, bro. Bro, I can't even go buy food because, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't want to admit it, but bro, the Beamer's leaking again, man. It's leaking coolant. Bro, I need to get rid of that car soon. I'm gonna get rid of it soon. Don't get me wrong, but in the meantime, I gotta deal with it. So I can't even go get food. I gotta go use my mom's car. Will I be doing a live trading class today? Mm, most likely. Most likely. Bro, it's a leak every month, bro. Bro, it's the worst. Tell me about it, bro. It's leaking coolant, bro, out of nowhere. The last thing I expected was coolant, but there it is in my driveway, fucking leaking blue liquid out of the thing, bro. Can we have a clue? Is it another Beamer? No, not another Beamer. No. I don't want to say it because bro, every time I talk about it, plans always get delayed. So I'm trying to just keep it secret now, for now. And then we just go from there. Is it a German car? No, it's American. I pushed a Lexus, bro. Patrick, man, is it a sporty one or is it like a casual car? Get a Toyota, bro. I was gonna get I was looking at a Supra, but bro, like, okay, don't get me wrong, Supras are cool. You can definitely mod them. It's a B58 engine. It's a beautiful car, but bro, I know if I get it, I'm not gonna enjoy the car as much as I would with the one I'm trying to get. Yeah, exactly, Zay. That's exactly why I'm trying to get my credit score up, bro. Is it a Charger? Okay, I would get a. I was okay. So far, okay, Kevin, I'm zipping it up, bro. I'm zipping it up. But it's in the works, man. I've been working my ass off, bro, every single day of the week. You know what I mean? Helping you guys left and right, 24/7. So, why not treat myself, you know? No, not the new one. Definitely not the new one. It'd be like more of a 2020. But I don't know, man. Like, I want to get it, but I don't know if it's smart. Like, I always hold myself back. But if I do get it, man, that's my dream car right there. Like, I know I will never, like, I'm gonna be. I drive my Beamer with a smile on my face every single day. Every single day, I'm driving with a smile on my face, right? And I know if I get something like that car, I'm not gonna say the name because I don't want to tell everyone. But if I get something like that car, I know for a fact I will not get bored of that car for years. I've had my car for about 3 years. Yeah, like 3 years. Never in my life have I regretted that car. I know it gives me issues. I don't care about the issues. I will pay for it. As long as I'm proud with that car, I don't care. I don't care. 18-year-old driving a cool Beamer, that's a flex. I don't think you should upgrade. Bro, the thing is, okay, Ali, I'm super happy with my car. The problem is, bro, like, it's old, bro. It's 2012. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to get something more sporty, more fun, and I feel like I deserve it. You know what I mean? Like, bro, I've been working my ass off every single day, including weekends. Every single day, I do not take. Yeah, it's a 2012. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like it because, man, I maintain my car. I love my car. You know what I mean? Like, I don't really have an exhaust, but I have it loud. I have it tuned. I have starlights. I have a, I converted it to like an N3 looking car. It's all maintained. I love my car, and I'm the only owner, right? I've had that car since day one. So yeah, no, not like that. Like, I bought it from my dad, but we maintain it. You know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, like, shit. I've been working my ass off every single day. So definitely, and don't worry, guys. I'm setting money aside before I get anything, or before I put any money down, and before I buy anything. I have. Don't worry. I'm making sure I have money set aside because I'm trying to invest into real estate with my mom. I don't know if it's the smartest thing to do. I know there's a lot of real estate people in here. You guys let me know. Oh, a Golf, bro. My brother had one. I was trying to get that car. I'm not gonna lie. Like, he had it loud as hell. But yeah, but the Golf is an amazing car. It's mass produced though. I'm not gonna lie. So it's, I'm pretty sure it's like the most mass produced car in the world actually. Or at least it's up there. At least it's up there. Airbnb, bro. I heard Airbnb. It's first of all it's expensive because keep in mind I'm in Miami, right? But it's a pain to maintain. I know it pays a lot though, for sure, for sure. But the problem is, okay, so for my real estate people, he, let me see, MK7 or he had a GTI, but crashed it, bro. Hold on, let me search that car up. Let me see. Oof. Okay, that one's nice. My brother had that. He had a GTI, but gray. It was like Nardo gray. It was beautiful. It looked like this actually. Let me show you guys. It looked like this, but it didn't have the rims. But it was this color, bro. It was amazing. That car was actually really nice. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a really good first car. It would be at least. But yeah, now for the people that do real estate, because I know someone in here was studying real estate or he was a manager for real estate or something like that. Would you guys consider investing with my mom? Like, because the thing, okay, first of all, it'll be a lot cheaper on my end, right? Because we're investing, right? Like we're putting both of our money together, right? Sure, I will do it alone if I had to, right? But or if I want, like if I want to, I would, but I can't because my credit. Right now, my mom has really, really good credit, like like A1 credit, because my mom has always been, my mom has always been one to raise me, like save money, put it into the right stuff, invest it correctly. So like, get your mom's credit for a Lambo? Nah, bro, not yet, at least, not yet. But yeah, my mom has always taught me to, what I mean, like sure, we get payouts, we let's say like everyone in here we make good money, you know what I mean? I'm not one to go, like, oh, I made 1,000. Let's say, for example, I made 1,000 today. Let me go to the designer store like LV and spend $1,000 in a fucking a beanie. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, and this. Oh guys, this liquidity sweep. Wow, what a sell-off. Okay. That was a really good read on our end. Yeah, fair value gap forming. Yeah, Mario, this is the fair value gap I was talking about. Right. So what's going on here? Here, let me catch up with the thing here. Guys, what's going on right here is the market finally showed up liquidity. Right. I told you guys of any level of liquidity. I'm not gonna be the one that says, oh, I told you guys, but we expected it, right? Off any level of liquidity. So what we could do here is we definitely have. Oh my, we are selling off. We just sold off 100 points. Okay. But anyways, what we could do here is, okay, we know that we have liquidity, two levels of liquidity here to the downside, mainly at 515, right? So what we could do here is we really don't have any other levels of liquidity other than 23 and 15, right? So what we could do is we can form a fair value gap right here, right? I can't tell you yet because of course it has to form, but we can look for a retracement into this because so far our bias is bearish. Bro, you caught that dump, bro? How? There's no setup behind that, bro. But yeah, I mean realistically, I'm not gonna lie. Any fair value gap retracement into this bro. Oh my, what is going on? Hold up. Bro, matter of fact, don't even look for a retracement here. Just inverse this one. Realistically, just inverse this one. Bro, so many people caught that. Yo, what? Okay, so if you guys didn't catch the first trade, I mean, at least you made something off this one. Because shit, bro, like what? That's insane. Let me see the YouTube. I had a car for about 2 years that put hours of work into to keep it running. It was a stick shift. It was so fun to drive and so bro, no, Jesse, bro. Damn, man. One day I have to get a ride of my shitty BM, bro. But wait, guys, real talk. Let's talk charts here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. With this strong ass sell off, I don't know if you guys want to chase it, but man, if you guys want to chase this and risk it, I would say get your entry off the inverse off this fair value gap. Don't look for a retracement here, because I mean this fair value gap is fucking huge. It's 150 points, right? I just don't know how to trim on TradingView connected to TradingView. Just sell less than what you own. So if you have 10, you can sell anything less than 10, right? So yeah. But guys, real talk, if you guys want to inverse this, which it looks like we're getting an inverse, you could. Just be careful. Be careful. I don't know if you guys want to chase this. Definitely not something I would chase, but if you guys want to risk it and ride into drawn liquidity, there's room to go into drawn liquidity. I chased it and got 800. Beautiful, bro, JW, beautiful. Just not beautiful on the chase part, but you made your money. But yeah, guys, be careful with this. For 1,000, 250. Damn, you guys are actually cashing that. How would we inverse it? Muda, you'll be looking for an inverse off this bullish fair value gap right here, and you will target drawn liquidity down here. Right? Ideally. But man, I was not expecting such a strong sell-off. I snagged 1,000. Beautiful, man. Okay, so everyone's making money. I'm gonna get, bro, Void. Bro, do not kill the vibes, bro. Do not let him, bro, just close the charts. I already told you. Close the charts, bro. Come back tomorrow. Let me see. First time home buyer is good for up to a 4plex. Okay, I'll write that down. Here, let me write that down actually. I'm taking down notes on anything I can get. You know what I mean? I'm trying to learn everything. But yeah, guys, okay. So now we're kind of setting a stop loss here in the chart, right? Although you might be risking a lot, I'm not going to lie to you guys. You guys might be risking a lot here as a stop loss, right? So if you guys are going to chase this, make sure you at least size light, right? So you're looking at a 32-point stop loss depending on where you enter, right? I don't know if you want to anticipate the breakout or you want to enter to be safe, right? But your stop loss would be you're just barely risking a 1 to 2 risk reward. So this trade is just barely good enough, right? But with the sell-off coming in, I would say we have room to go lower, at least into drawing liquidity, right? That's what I would tell you guys. Damn, okay. Bro, super. Make sure you're trimming on the way, man. Don't let this go red. Bro, please. What would be a good entry? I would say anywhere near a break below 579. A break any close below 579. That's what I would say. Is there a way to flat faster? Just click the gray button. The gray button. So you live in one unit for a year and have 3 other people's rent to others. They'll be paying for your. Oh, okay. I know about Beacon. I know about that. I definitely know about that one. Yeah, I know about that one. You will go mention the entry. The thing is, I don't even want to tell you guys to enter off this, right? Because definitely be careful with this one. I mean, look, I don't know where this volume is coming from. I don't know if the president died or something. I mean, God forbid. As always. But hold on. Let me see, because I gotta follow here. Oh shit. Bruh. Alright. There's two things that can happen here. Right? You can either rip Biden. I don't know. I don't know where this volume came from. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was expecting the complete opposite today. With no news Monday, I was expecting the complete opposite. But anyways, what we could do here is we can either inverse this bullish for value gap and get an entry for shorts. You guys can get an entry for shorts. I'm not doing shit. But you could either do that, or you could look to retrace into this fair value gap right here. Right? That's a big possibility. Like this. You could do that. Right? So there's two entries. Either you inverse this bullish one or you retrace off this bearish one. I don't know what you guys want to do. Work with what you guys can. But you know what I mean? Like, I'm just trying to give you guys what I see right now. Because I'm not trying to enter off anything. Oh, yeah, no, bro. Not to get political or anything, but, bro, Trump is definitely the GOAT, bro. For sure. He's smart, too. He knows what he's doing. Right? He's getting an Aiden Ross stream. He's getting an everyone stream. To get, you know, like, you know what I mean? How would the retracement be? It would look somewhat like this. Like, a retracement would be like, you know, like anything into the fair value gap, and then you just after the rejection, just okay, Mario, the same retracement that we got today in our first entry, the same way it will go like this, right? And then you just write it down into your first price target, which will be right here, and then the second price target right here, just like that. That's what I would do. Oh yeah, at least Patrick is in. At least Patrick is in our. I'm not trying to get political though. I could care less. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna say green. Thank you, Dave. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, bro, take it easy, my man. Take it easy. All I'm gonna say though is, guys, my perfect excuse to move into Europe, because I'm trying to go into Italy. I'm trying to go to Italy for a little bit. Although you guys know I was born there, right? I don't really like it, but now that I'm kind of maturing and growing up a little bit, and now that I want more peace rather than attention and all that stuff like how I used to, I'm not gonna lie, Italy might be a place, or anywhere in Europe might be a place, more Italy, I would say. Cause man, if what's her name, Camara, I don't know her name. The other president, the lady, Kamala Harris, yeah, Kamala Harris, yeah, her name, yeah. Like I said, I'm not trying to get political, but man, if she wins, bro, I'm moving out. I'm going to Europe. That's gonna be my excuse to go to Italy and live my life. Because, bro, first of all, it's pretty affordable over there. And, bro, where I was born by like, you guys know how Italy, like, there's a lot of like towns by the edge of like the cliffs with a beautiful sea, like clear sea and everything. Man, psh, I'll be living life. You know what I mean? I'm there trading in the balcony. You know what I mean? The water's there. There's food down the street. You know what I mean? Like, man, it's a life, bro. Tell me about it. So shit, if she wins, okay, if it's a win-win. If Trump wins, you know, good for us, right? We're gonna have good interest rates, good economy, good everything. If she wins, shit, that's on you guys. I'm going to Europe, right? So regardless, I can't wait till November comes. You know what I mean? Because if Trump wins, man, I'm getting my money's worth. You know what I mean? We're getting our money's worth. Interest rate's gonna be, you know, amazing. Gas is gonna be amazing. Well, at least I hope so, right? We're not gonna have wars every 2 seconds, right? So yeah, I would say Trump has it under control. Of course, I won't know as much because, of course, you know, I'm young. I don't know anything about the political world. But from what I know and what I've heard, we're gonna have good markets, good money flowing, good interest rates, good houses, good gas, good everything. If Kamala wins, if that's her name, I'm going to Europe and I'm living my life there, at least for the 4 years. The following elections are rigged, regardless, bro. Yeah, bro. It's been 2 times already. The airplane and of course, the actual literal shot that hit his ear. You know what I mean? Come to Scotland, bro. Oh, and on top of that, first of all, Europe has beautiful European cars, right? And on top of that, they have the mountains, right? Of course, in the highways, they don't even have speed limits, right? They have beautiful tracks. In Miami, they don't have tracks for shit, right? They don't have tracks for anything. You can't enjoy a car. You can't enjoy nothing, right? There's traffic all over the place. There's idiots driving left and right because you guys know Miami. If you guys live in Miami, you guys know, right? It's actual idiots driving left and right. There's, like I said, there's no track. In Europe, first of all, you have beautiful mountains with beautiful views, right? There's barely any speed limits, right? And bro, you can, if you're a car guy or enjoy cars in general, Europe is a place for you. Bro, no way, clock. Bro, no way, bro. The autobahn, that's what it's called. Yeah, bro. And bro, there's track in general. Even if you can't do that, bro, there's tracks everywhere. Like any corner that you go to, there's a track. Like you could take your car there, you know, have your phone with it. That's it. I'm in Australia. We pay like 40% taxes, and still have dirt roads, bro. Okay, that's pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. I would say Miami's pretty clean for the most part. Oh, bro, Kerr, that's amazing, bro. How can you get around in taxes in the EU? I know Swiss banks. You could probably work around something with Swiss banks, from what I know. And bro, in Italy, the beach, like the water is amazing. Like, trust me, it's amazing. Like I was born there and I go there every summer, so I know about it, right? I didn't go this summer because, of course, I had to focus on business. You know, the cord was growing. So my mom, literally as we speak, my mom is in the water as we speak. Like she's in Europe with my family and all that stuff, in the water. But you know, she invited me and I said, nah, I can't because, you know, I have to focus on my Discord. My YouTube has been growing. So it's not something I could really, you know, really do, right? But you know what I mean? Like shit, if Kamala, or whatever her name is, Kamala, whatever it is, if she wins, man, I'm out. I'm getting my setup and I'm leaving. Like I'm selling my car and I'm leaving over there. I'm from Spain. I feel you. Is Spain really that bad? Is Spain really that bad? Or oh, no, it's great. Oh, bro, clockwise, man. Come on now, man. Bro, what policies that Trump is offering do you like the best? I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know. I just know that Trump, you know, he did whatever he did was good. You know what I mean? Like I said, I don't know anything about politics. And I guess I'm a little bit biased. But I don't know from what I've heard. You know what I mean? Like it's better. It's a lot better than Kamala or whatever her name is. Camilo. I don't know. So yeah. No one really knows anything about politics. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? And bro, okay, I don't know if you guys like I said, I don't want to talk about politics, but have you guys seen all the AI shit that's been going on with, like, you know, like it's like her getting off the plane. You know what I mean? And there's like AI pictures of people everywhere. But that's funny as hell. Like why do you need to do that, bro? You know what I mean? That's funny. And I'm not gonna lie, that AI is like top tier because I didn't notice until people like spotted it out. But in the meantime, guys, we are retracing into this bearish valley gap. So this will be more of your main watch if you guys want to enter. If we do even rotation into it, if not, you can always inverse this one. That's been debunked. Is it real? I'm pretty sure it's real, right? I know it's real because what's it called? If you zoom in onto the plane, it has a reflection where you don't see anyone. It's like a reflection of like there's nothing there, right? So that's how I want to move to Japan, bro. Wait, is Jazzy in here? I know, cause someone in here he moved to Japan and he's been living life, bro. He's been living life. Nah, he's not in here. Now, one of my members that I've had in here for a while, he's a lifetime, bro. He moved to Japan, and bro, he's been living life, bro. Yeah, I would say Japan is. I don't know too much about South Korea. Like I've never really looked into it, but no, I've seen like I've seen vlogs, I've seen streams in Japan, bro. It's you know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I kind of see why Japanese people don't want us Americans or anyone in general to go over there and travel, cause bro, our odds here or our habits in America, it's so bad compared to Japan. That's why they don't want us there. They themselves they do not want like tourists in Japan for a good reason. I don't I'm not Japanese and I've never been to Japan, but bro, like I agree with them. Like people in America, like I'm not saying you guys, like you know what I mean, but like people in general, like some people are like you question it. You know what I mean? You question it. Like there's no respect, you know, nothing like that in America. And in Japan, it's all about respect. You know, it's culture. It's staying clean, of course. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's something I can really agree with. That's something I can really agree with. Yeah, for real, exactly what Diamond said, bro. Doug do combat sports. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Like basketball or some shit? Or like what do you mean combat? Oh, MMA? No, I wanted to get into it, not to actually fight. I just want to like I wanted to do training because, bro, like it's a must. You know what I mean? Like you as a man, it's a must to know how to fight, right? I would say I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've always been like an innocent kid. I'm sure you guys have seen pictures of me as a kid. I was more of a nerd. I wouldn't say now, a little bit at least. So I myself, I have never in my life gotten in a fight. I don't really see myself getting into a fight. I avoid being with people in the first place. And I've always been a quiet guy, but you never know, man. Especially when people try to rob you or some shit, because especially in Miami. Thank God I haven't been robbed, but at least until I turn 21, so I get the gun license, because the day I turn 21, the first place I'm going is I'm grabbing something. You know what I mean? Yeah, you have to be, especially in Miami, bro. You can never be, you can never be too sure. Right? There's a lot of psychopaths in here. And you know, as much as I want to have my ego up and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna beat their ass, you know what I mean? Like I have all these muscles, whatever. No, realistically, bro, they're gonna get your ass, right? So you can never be too sure, and you gotta get the license. I really wish you could own it at 18, but bro, with these kids, you know, with these wannabes, whatever, owning guns and like getting illegal guns and shit, I see why it's 21, right? So yeah, ever thought about visiting favela? I can't pronounce that. Let me see. Is it in Italy or is it like? Oh, it's in Brazil. It's in Brazil. I'm not gonna lie. I've always tried to avoid Brazil, and nothing against you, of course. But from what I've heard, I've always tried to avoid Brazil and Mexico, cause shit, bro, I'm scared of those places, bro. Like if you know, you know, bro. If you know, you know, bro. I've seen videos. You know what I mean? Like I'm not. I'm good. I'm good off that. I'm good off that, bro. Europe is my place. Yeah, exactly, Nick. Exactly. The life leak videos, bro. Like you can't go around it. If you open Twitter, you're gonna see one. If you open whatever, if you open Reddit, you'll see that. You know what I mean? I'm good off that. Muay Thai and I know MMA is really good. I've never heard of. I think I've said it good. It's like Muay Thai. I don't know. Something like that. Colombia is fine. Colombia is known for the I don't know how to say it. All I'm gonna say is my brother goes to Colombia a lot for a reason. For a reason. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yeah, yeah. You had a blast. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna say anything, but if you know, you know. Yeah, my brother definitely loves the ladies. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Yeah. If you know, you know. Yeah, sure. Kerr, you can go. You can whatever you can name. It's all there in Colombia. Whatever you can think of is there. Now, the one place I will avoid, and not for a bad reason, is What is it? Is it Taiwan? Taiwan, right? Yep. Once again, if you know, you know. Oh, Thailand, Thailand. Yeah, there it is, Thailand. Yeah, yeah, that's the place. That's the place. Yeah, the lady boys, the lady boys. Yeah, so be careful there. Right? I heard, guys. One thing that I heard is when you're doing a conversion, right? Which there's nothing wrong with that. Do whatever you want with your body, but there is a way to spot them, right? Because the one thing doctors have not found out yet is you can't change the feet. You like if you see a lady and you see them with manly feet, they're converted. That's all I'm gonna say. They're a lady boy, right? So yeah, and the Adam's apple. Yeah, the Adam's apple too. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There it is. The Adam's apple. Yeah. So the Adam's apple and the feet. That's all I'm gonna say. So be careful with that. If you guys ever go to Thailand, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, right? You can have your preference. You can have whatever, right? But just okay, okay, Beam. Okay, okay. Let's chill out there, bro. But yeah, no, Colombia. Shit, bro. If you know if anything ever goes wrong, you know what I mean, and I have to go to Colombia, so be it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have okay, Buck. So we're not talking about Thailand like that. You know what I mean? Like sure, the $20 per person. I mean that's pretty cool, right? I don't know if Thailand food is bad because I definitely know they have their culture where it's a little bit disgusting to some people, but of course it's their culture to them, right? Bro, Desert, bro. My bad. Okay, tell her my bad, bro. I mean, we got a little bit sidetracked, you know what I mean? We're here trading. We're waiting on a setup. But yeah, I mean, you know what I mean? My bad for that. But you know, if anything, if I ever go I was like single in my relationship, I'm a book trip to Colombia with my brother. You know what I mean? I gotta have my fun too. You know what I mean? But anyways, let me see. Um, Now I've been married for 13 years. But she church, bro. Does my girl trade? She's tried. She's definitely tried. She knows a thing or two behind it. She knows a thing or two behind it. I'm going with, hey, bro, Supreme, bro. That's my man, man. Bro, Colombia, we're going soon. We're going soon. I can't just yet. I can't for sure just yet. But you never know. If anything bad happens, just know I'm open to a trip to Colombia. Just know that. Just know that. Because Miami ain't it. In Miami, bro, you gotta pay, bro, for the most mid people, bro. You gotta pay an arm and a leg for that, bro. Miami, you know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to get in anyone's thing, but you know what I mean? Like, bro, these girls, the one that you would expect, like the bare minimum from, they're expecting the maximum, right? Like, bro, Miami's not it, bro. Psh, Miami is not it. Put it in Discord, bro. But yeah, no, real talk, bro. Last meetup, bro. But yeah, no, my girl has traded. She knows a thing or two about trading because she used to edit my videos. And you know she's always around me, you know, when I trade, so she hears a lot of terms, and I guess she's understand it. But what she's trying to do is she's trying to get into real estate. She's trying to become a real estate agent. I don't know how people feel about real estate agents. I know a lot of people don't like them because people say that, oh, like the world works the same without them. I don't even know what real estate agents do. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like I heard they're practically useless. They just get a commission for doing nothing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone's girl wants to be a realtor. To be honest, have you be your agent? I mean, shit. I guess. But yeah, I don't know how people feel about agents because I heard there's like a lot of mixed stuff. Like some people think that agents are kind of useless. I don't know anything about it, so I can't really say. But uh, bro, she needs to be the one owning real estate. Exactly. No, I'm gonna be the one owning real estate. That's for sure. But yeah, let me see how I look at my stream, bro. 'Cause I'm trying to look good for the stream. Hold up. Let me make sure I'm looking good. Cause bro, I bought a new shirt. You know what I mean? Like I spent you know, I'm feeling good. The shirt feels good. I'm trying to show it off. You know what I mean? That's why you guys might be asking. Like usually I have jackets on, but today I have a polo shirt on, right in the morning, right in my room. But hey, you know what I mean? I look good. I look pretty fresh. I like it. So you know I'm feeling good. But the trades are looking good. You know what I mean? all that good stuff. The vibes are good, looking good, trades are good. We made our money. I can't, turn on my camera. I would if I could, but I'm on YouTube, so my camera on Discord won't work. Oh, by the way, okay, let me ask you guys something before this trade plays out. Let me ask you guys something, right? Because you guys know a lot of you guys like to call me humble. I like to be humble. That's how I was raised. I don't like to be very flaunty or very show offy. You know what I mean? So you guys saw the payout that I got, or that I posted, in the Futures Alert channel. Now, let me ask you guys: would you guys want me to post every payout that I get for, of course, motivational reasons, transparency reasons, whatever the case may be, or do you guys want me to hold it back and just be like, just give you guys trades? Yes, post them. Okay, so I'm not seeing any no's. Okay, and keep in mind, guys, I'm not trying to flex. I will never show the dollar amount that I have ever in my life, right? I'll never show you guys how much I have in my bank account. But when the payout comes, of course, I'm gonna show you guys. Of course, that first of all, it's Apex showing that it's legit. I'm getting the payout. It's of course showing you guys that the trades are legit, that I take the trades, right, and we make money from them. So I'm not really bullshitting you guys, right, and so much more, right? So yeah, it's all about more motivation and transparency rather than more flexing, right? Because the last thing I'm trying to do is, of course, flex to you guys, right? But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I might request another $10,000 payout on the 15th, right, which is in about 3 days. So around the 15th to the 20th, I don't know when I'm gonna hit the 10-day goal. But money trees. I'm gonna read that. I don't know when I'm gonna hit the 10-day goal. I think it's soon. I think I'm at like 7 days. I'm gonna request another 10K payout, and I'm gonna post it to you guys as well, right? So you guys can see it. But yeah, and for those of my YouTube, if you guys wanna, of course, check it out, here it is. I posted it right here. Yep, 10K. So what it took was, it was 10 trading days. I took 10 trades, 10 trading days, and we won 9 trades out of the 10, resulting in, of course, the 10 trading day limit that you need for the payout. Here's the results right here, all the trades. Here it is once again for 100% win rate, 83% win rate for the 2 weeks of the payout that I got. And of course, here is the payout, $10,000, Apex Trader. Of course, I blocked out the number right here, so you guys don't try to be some people, you know what I mean? But yeah, there it is. Of course, proof as always. Here's the payout. Here's the results of the trades. You guys see the trades live in my premium. You guys see us catching the trade every day. But yeah, I really have nothing to hide with you guys, right? It's all about transparency. We're here as a team. We're here to make money every single day. Like today, for example, most of us made money. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I made about 800, so I'll take it, right? I will take that 800. Now I get that into the payout. So next week, hopefully, if God wants, I will request that payout, right? But yeah, here. Oh wait, money trees. Let me read your message. Okay, as an agent, or as a real estate agent, I can see that they will never go away for one simple reason: human emotion. It's easier than ever to sell your home on your own, or to buy, and people still use agents. Yeah, but the thing is, like, what do agents do? Like, what's so special about an agent? You know what I mean? Because my girl's trying to become an agent, but I've been on like the agent side of Instagram, and a lot of people don't like them for some reason. They're like, oh, like the world spins, like the same without you. You know what I mean? Like, what do they add to real estate that's like all that good? And what am I ever going to open up? I'm not saying it's bad, because keep in mind, I don't know anything. Yeah, it's like a middleman, I would say. Yeah, right. Oh, and by the way, can I have 1K, bro? I'm not an ATM, bro. Shit, realistically, I'm gonna tell you guys, realistically, I don't have money, because the money that I have, it goes straight into my savings. I'm trying to save money for my future, right? So the money that I have, I don't spend it. That 10,000 went straight into my savings. So that's not 10,000 that I'm gonna spend, right? Nowhere near. The retracement may play out. Yeah, I mean, we have a long way to go. This fair value gap is huge. It's not something I would trade. Keep that in mind. But it could play out. Don't get me wrong. The volume is kind of slowing down right now. Keep in mind, we are approaching lunch hour. Keep that in mind. Where would the TP be if the candle breaks below our bearish fair value gap? It would be right here at around 523 to 515. I would say 515 mainly, because we have more liquidity down here. So that's what my price target would be at if I do enter shorts, which I'm not. How many accounts for the 10K payout? It was 5 accounts, $2,000 per payout. $2,000 per payout. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then with the other five, because you guys don't have 13 accounts, the other five they're at about 7 days. So all I need is 3 more days, and then when the payout window opens up, I'm gonna go ahead and request it. And of course, I'll show you guys everything. What's PT1 again? PT1 stands for price target number one. When we're in trades, usually we have either one price target, two, or even three price targets. Um, are you trading are you trading these and your live at the same time? No, unfortunately, I can't. So some days, let's say, okay, so when my payout was being processed, I did not trade on them. I was trading on my live account, right? And then when my payouts are not being processed, I use my funded accounts. Would now be a good time to enter shorts? I'm not gonna say now would be a. I mean, look at this. Buying is looking really strong here, so definitely be careful with this. I wouldn't enter shorts just yet. I won't even trade this for value cap in general. I would always inverse this one because, first of all, this one tells you more of a story. This one is way too big. Your stop loss will be all over the place, and there's not enough room to really determine what's going on. There's too much room. You know what I mean? So yeah, definitely be careful with this one. Definitely be careful with that one. Confidence. There's a reason when you buy things, you look at reviews. They want others' thoughts. You can go on Google and get all the information. Same with trading. You can go on YouTube and learn everything that you need. But people still choose to join Discords because having someone you can talk with. Okay, got it. That makes a lot more sense. Actually, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, got it. And would you say you will be like more like, I don't know, like more assured? Maybe if something goes wrong with the property, you hit up your agent or something. Is that something that will work like that too? Because like for example with trading, let's say you lost money with trading, right? You reach out to your mentor or to a Discord or to whoever, right? And they'll help you out, right? With a house, I mean, it would make, yeah. Okay, got it. That makes more sense. Can I trade? Wait? Can I trade a different account? Bro, Void, just be careful, bro. Please, like, I don't want you to keep going red, forcing trades. Right now, there's no setup that's really ideal, in my opinion. So definitely be careful. I would say. Bro, Kevin, you have a Porsche? Is that a Porsche? It is. What the hell? Bro, that's nice. That's a nice ass car, bro. What? Bro, if you get black rims with red calibers, oof, that'll be spot on, bro. Wait, Kevin, are you even in here? Let me see. Oh, wait. Um, no, I think he left. He is? No, there's two Kevins. There's two Kevins. Here, I'll just reply to it. Hold up. There it is. Bro, let me see. It's actually more difficult to sell by yourself. SFS for sell by owner. Okay. They market it, sell. They list it to where other agents can see it and have buyers. Selling your house yourself is the worst thing you could do. They're basically just salespeople. Got it. So it's more of like, I would say like like more of like an assurance. Like, you know what I mean? Like more help, I would say. But yeah, I mean, I guess sure. And like I said, I didn't really mean it as like real estate agents are useless. I just don't know what they do. You know, I'm not too educated in the topic, right? But online, like some people really like them, some people don't like them, and they have their reasons, right? I just didn't know the reason behind it. That's what I meant. But yeah, right. They provide information, and they help you navigate emotions. That's all sales is. Try to talk to someone selling a home, impossible. But if they're thinking about selling their home, all you do is have a conversation with them, help them play the option. Got it. Okay, that's actually you couldn't have said it better. Hey, I'm Kevin. Hey, bro. Yeah. There's a million Kevins in here, guys. There's a million Kevins in here. David, do you ever get accounts over 50K? I don't really see the need to. 50Ks. You know what I mean? Like they work for me, so I don't really see the need to really, you know, to really use them. I like to use other ones. Yeah, Kevin, that car is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a really nice car. I don't know how I don't know how I feel about Porsche SUVs because I mean they're not really known for SUVs, but they are definitely pretty nice looking if you can mod them right. Like bro, if you murder that out, like black rims, shit, like like you PPF it with a wrap, spot on. I've always liked all black cars. That's always been my thing. Yeah, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying it's bad, but they're definitely not known for that. You know what I mean? They're known for like, of course, the GT3 RS, which is like the most overrated car. It's a good car, but I mean, you know what I mean. Once TikTok gets their hands, in my opinion, I like to have unique cars. You know what I mean? When TikTok gets their hands on GT3s, bro, like it kind of ruins the car in my opinion. At least for me. Like, you know what I mean? Like they're overrated in a way. Like they're amazing cars. I mean, who am I to tell you guys that like GT3s are like not bad or like, you know, like they're bad? No, they're amazing cars. Now, but the thing is, with TikTok being all over the thing, you know what I mean? I like to have cars that are like unique. Not that many people like own it. You know what I mean? Like something that I don't know how to explain it. 8% gain, bro. Super. You're going crazy, man. You're going crazy. Let me see if my stream crashed. Didn't? No, it didn't. Okay. Let's make sure. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know how I feel about this fair value gap right here. I don't want to tell you guys to even trade it. Let me see. You got the 10K payout from the 50Ks. Let me see. You got that 10K payout from the 50K. You've gotten payouts from the last 2 months. No, this payout was from the last 2 weeks. I've gotten payouts before. Like I never posted my payouts because I don't like showing. I don't like. You guys know I don't like flaunting anything. Like I don't like that. But what's got with this one? I'm like, you know what? It's a pretty big payout. Why not just show it? You know, maybe for some motivation. I'll see how people do it. If they don't like it, I'll delete it. If they like it, I'll keep posting it. And that's what we're gonna do, right? I mean, some people wanted it, so yeah. But yeah, no, that was from the last 2 weeks. No, not this week included, but the last 14 days. Ignore the week that we just had. Then 14 days after that. So like the last 3 weeks, not including the last week. That's where that payout came from. So all the trades that we took, like this month, was from that payout, or was in that payout. Just watching you hear you talk makes it so much easier to understand. I mean, realistically, the only trade I really talked over today was the first trade that we took. Pretty much, like I said, we're done for the day. Realistically, we're done for the day. We made our money. Read my previous comment about. Oh yeah, let me read that. She'll have to access the MLS. And be able to find some investment deals for you on there. MLS is basically, think of Zillow, but only for, oh yeah, my real estate agent, or not my friend that's a real estate agent, he has access to like the thing where only realtors have, you know what I mean? So he can see deals that are really good that they're not on Zillow. But yeah, I do know about MLS a little bit. He has shown me about it. I don't know if he can show me that, but he did show me, so I don't know if that's bad. Hey Blast, what if we inverses for value gap? The thing is, there's no price targets to the upside. So if you were to inverse this up here, there's not much you could really target. Which, you know what I mean? Like, sure, you could. You really could. Right? What car do I have? I have a 328i fully tuned out BMW 2012. The thing is, I'm trying to upgrade it. So, you know what I mean? I've had my fun with it. It's time to move it on. You know what I mean? Hopefully some guy on the Facebook marketplace, some kid gets it. He has his fun with it. You know what I mean? So on. That car is made to have fun. At least I built it to have fun. It's definitely not a daily car. Hence the leaks and all that stuff, you know. So yeah. But like I said, guys, right now I'm not really expecting anything out of this fair value gap. Like how I said, I'm not really liking this fair value gap. So honestly, now that we're approaching lunch hour and we've been on live for like 2 hours, would you guys be down to call it a live and come back later with some commentary? Let me know. Yes. Yep. Okay, sounds good. All right. So guys, once again, really good stuff behind the trades. And what? Okay, I know that's paper, so you scared me for a bit. And bro, Kevin, black out those headlights, and bro, that car would look beautiful. That car is beautiful enough already, bro. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a live trade. For now, if I see anything during the PM session, I'm gonna let the market cool down a little bit. Yeah, Mario, I got you. If you guys have not traded today and you guys want to take a trade, whenever I see something in the commentary channel, I will post it in the commentary. Right, but that's for the PM session. Alright guys, amazing stuff today. Really good talks, really good trades. We made our money. Let's go enjoy the day. Alright guys. So yeah, take it easy guys. Peace out. I'll be active in the chat if anything. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace. And by the way, for those in my YouTube, if you guys do want to get access to these trades live with me, get access to the payouts, get access to the trades, the live trading and everything without a delay, feel free to join the Discord linked in the description. It's the premium, or you can join the free Discord. Regardless, it's all there. Alright guys, so if you guys want to get access, once again, it will be in the link in the description. Alright, peace out guys, take it easy. I'll see you guys in the next stream. I'm gonna see if I can do a class tonight. I'll see, but no promises. Alright guys,